Bodega Boys.
Oh, yes. Hello. Thank you, YG. It's good to meet you. Thank you. Step right this way. You're in the VIP package.
You're BX in the building. Yo, step to the side. Step to the side, my nigga. We go to the front of the line.
No, excuse me.
Yo, what's up, Ma? What's going on? Yo, what's up? What's up, sweet cheeks? I like your mustache. Yo, check it out here. It's Bodega Boys. My name is Desus Nice. That's my man, the kid Mero. We're the kings of the Bronx. And we had the number one show at late night. And we here to the Diamond Bowl for my cousin Rihanna.
Excuse me.
So if you would step to the side, if you would move your bulky shoulders and move to the side so I could get inside this bitch.
Excuse me.
I'm on like 4 becks.
Excuse me. Yeah, I could tell, my nigga, because you sweating this shit. Excuse me. First of all, I'm the security detail of this.
I can tell that because the dickies just fit in your butt nice and right.
That's right.
Your shit look like top tomato.
That's
Mom.
right. Like, matter of fact, here, take my picture. I'm gonna look back at it. Go ahead.
Dang.
Bang. That's right. We're out here killing it. But yeah, y'all niggas can't come in here.
Yo, if you post that, please give me photo credit.
That's cool. But y'all niggas can't come in here.
What happened? What you mean?
No, because I've seen what y'all niggas did last week at the Rock Nation brunch.
Oh, here we go again.
Jay-Z called me. Yes, I have his number. We talk, and then that nigga said, "Don't let them in nowhere because they don't know how to act."
Wow, over here like that.
So it's not hating, my nigga, but if you don't know how to act, because excuse me, I'm from 183rd Grand Concourse. I know how y'all niggas get down.
Oh my god.
I know how y'all niggas get down.
Right.
But the Bodega Boys, this is nice to Kid Mero. I know about y'all niggas when y'all was in the 9 bus, okay, dumping Dutch guts in the floor in the back.
Okay, everyone knows chicks from 183rd like to get nutted in. So like, first of all, lower your voice. Secondly, you gonna let us in here, Duke? All right, I'll flip this fucking whole brunch up.
Listen.
Diamond Ball. What is
Let me tell you something.
Yo, I got my good Timber.
You know why they call it Diamond Ball, nigga? Because everybody in there is icy, nigga. Look, what you got in your neck? Look at this nigga Mero with his little Cubans. He think he doing it.
I mean, like, let my man live, though.
Huh?
Why you trying to make it hot? My man from the Bronx, like, he got his chains and shit. Also, these are gang beads, all right? I'll cut niggas' faces in here.
All right, so listen.
Yo, Chance! Yo, Chance the rapper.
Hey, what's up?
Chance, hey, can you help me get in?
No, I love my wife.
Okay.
All right, see you later. Stay positive.
Okay, bye.
Positivity. Fuck. Yeah. Yeah, so listen.
Mero, they're not gonna listen to this bitch, bro.
Nigga, I'm just standing here like I'm bugged. I don't even know what the fuck is going on.
She was ODing on your chains and shit.
I don't know,
you
bro.
Fucked her?
She was up there. You probably in high school. Yeah.
In an empty room, right?
Yeah.
Nasty. See your boy. Yeah.
It was Mr. Grammy's music room and shit.
That's cool. Because in high school, you don't need condoms. See yourself. Anyway, listen, we're gonna regroup.
Come back.
We're gonna do the opposite of what we did at the fucking Rock Nation shit.
So boom. So this, I think I got an idea. Let's go and let's just put on a wild ball gown and like I'll stand on your shoulders and then we'll just pretend that we're like fucking. What's shorty's name? Tilda Swinton or some shit.
I don't even know who that is.
Nigga, let's get it.
All right, that's cool. I got another plan. All right, just walk with me. All right, Yo. Could you check the list again? Are we on this?
Excuse me. The list is mad OD short because it's only rich poppin' niggas in here.
Oh, okay.
And you're not on the list.
Okay, I have a VIP card.
From where?
Nigga. Let's go. Diamond Ball time.
Shit, nigga. Fuck y'all, eat those.
Anderson, pack it down.
I fucking eat that. Shit, nigga. Fuck out of here.
Do the drop.
Okay, fine. Fuck it. Yo, episode 170. 170. Shout out to 170. The niggas got the chocolate on deck. BX all day. Goddamn. Shit. Yo, at least pull the bullet out, nigga. Damn. Before you go in. Shit.
It's a Sabbath. I can't do work.
Goddamn.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Yo, damn, you said I got hit.
Damn.
They try to hit me.
Will she be alive next week?
Tune in next week to find out.
Episode 170.
You know what I'm saying?
170.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, a block in the Bronx.
Yes.
Not a notable block.
Treacherous.
Not a not notable block. Just a block.
You get off the 4 train, you go to Wendy's, and then you get robbed.
Before we even start, you know, shout out to us. Applause. Is this our 3-year anniversary?
Yes. Yes.
3 years of the most illustrious podcast ever. Because you know what? Because we are belligerent assholes, we dropped the podcast on 9/11.
That's right.
So we was like, yo.
It's very easy to remember.
Exactly. 5 good things happened that day. Fabulous drops.
Yes.
Jay-Z.
Yes. Fabulous dropped and it was a
Kanye,
ghetto emergency.
Graduation.
Yes.
And some other stuff happened. But listen, podcast drop. You know what I'm saying? Still number one with a bullet.
You know what I'm saying? Hold that.
Episode 170. Who thought it would take it this far? Shout out to Red Bull. Remember we was in the Red Bull studios and shit?
Bro.
You know what I'm saying?
Niggas Red Bull.
We was in Red Bull. Red Bull put on fire on like a second episode and shit.
Listen, man. Niggas got sprinklers, and now we here.
We here in the milk room. We jamming in the jam room.
Jamming in the jam room. Niggas got amps and shit, mad functional equipment and shit. Hasan got mad buttons and levers and shit back there.
We got porn on the walls that if you like a felon, you probably gonna, you know what I'm saying? Your probation officer see this, and you gonna go back on the island.
Back.
It's like, damn.
Take a cruise, nigga, back on the boat. You know what I'm saying?
This definitely looks like a place someone got murdered in.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
This looks like a terrible escape room.
Yeah, this looks like a place.
Willie Nelson designed this escape room.
This looks like a place where, in an episode of Law and Order, one of the criminals that Olivia Benson arrested in episode 5 comes back, episode 10, kidnaps her because she's wild, easy to kidnap. I don't understand why.
Reason, yeah, I don't know.
And when she wakes up, she's locked here.
Yep.
And she has enough slack in her handcuffs. She's like, she can make phone calls and stuff.
God damn it.
But no.
Yeah.
And he explains the whole plot to her.
Yeah, he's like, yeah, I'm gonna.
And then Ice-T comes in. What does Ice-T say at Mero?
You raped her.
No, he does not say that. It has nothing to do with the case.
I saw this in narcotics. Shout out to Ice-T. Yo, Ice-T's holding on to that ponytail, nigga, like I'm holding on to my NBA hopes and dreams. Yo, that shit is...
Let your man cook.
Let it go.
Let your man cook.
Let it go. It's time for the season, my nigga.
Don't ever. Black women must never slander other black women, and men must never slander another man's hairline.
That's true. No, the hairline's strong. That's the crazy shit.
But the ponytail is the back of the hairline. It's just a reverse hairline.
Oh, true.
See,
yeah. No hairline shaming.
It's hairline shaming. It's just what they was doing to LeBron.
It's
and
like
LeBron came through like, yo, I got the Israeli stem cells. How you feel?
Facts.
You know?
The hairline spectrum.
It's the hairline spectrum. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Don't be an ally.
Be an ally.
Be a hairline ally.
You know what I'm saying? Hairlines are not a binary. They're a spectrum. You know what I'm saying? You can have your shit Paul George down the eyebrows. You know? Or you can have the Stephen A back here.
You know what I'm saying? Maybe you got the drop top Porsche 911. You know? Maybe you just want to put the top down when you're going down a Nantucket highway.
You feel me?
You know? Don't shame a man for that.
Feel the breeze on your scalp.
Woo! You know what I'm saying? Got to put a little sunscreen on there for those hot days.
Yo!
Get a little blister. Got to put a little 45 on there.
Yo, when you shaving though, with the razor though, like baldy, nigga, you just like feeling your head like braille, like to feel whether like
where
the little hairs.
Like, yeah, nigga, I tried to.
Very humbling.
Like earlier this year, I was like, I ain't got a new bathroom, got mad mirrors and shit.
Let's do this.
How hard could it be to shave my own hair? Nigga,
what? You come out that shit looking like you got mange? You're like, oh,
was like,
shit.
yo, did a raccoon attack you? I was like, what are you talking? Because I was just like, I was like, yo, there's still hair there. And I was like, I was like, why is there blood?
Yo, what the fuck?
I was like, how did I cut myself with a bevel cutter? It was like, So I was like, all right, end of the haircut. Time to do what makes a man. Splash on the rubbing alcohol.
Yo, bruh.
They should get rid of the death penalty and just give niggas rubbing alcohol.
Straight up. That's
just give you mad cuts on your body and then put you in a tub of rubbing alcohol.
Like, hold that.
That would keep kids from doing crime.
That's why, the Home Alone shit, I was like, I don't understand until I put alcohol.
But he put Old Spice on, which is different. Because that's rubbing alcohol and scumbag.
Oh,
you know what I mean? That's like, my kids don't visit me. Fuck them.
Scumbag number 6.
I'm not leaving the house to them. That's like, let's go visit uncle that doesn't use deodorant. Yeah. I'm 76 fucking years old. I was in World War II. Why should I wear deodorant? Fuck you.
It's your job to fucking appeal to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saved you.
I can't even smell anything.
You could have been on the Japanese rule right now.
Okay.
Like, what, nigga? No, we couldn't have.
If I didn't beat your mother, you could be half black. How about that?
You're like, yo, I wish I was, Dad.
Save the whole bloodline. Pull your pants up.
Dad, I can't jump over anything.
You come here. You think I don't know you're stealing my pills.
They're good, and you don't even use them.
I can still count.
You don't even use them.
You know how I can count? Look at this necklace I wear.
Go ahead, let me see.
It's fucking Krauts.
Oh,
Every time we killed one of them, I kept one of their ears.
Are those teeth?
One. The ears, you slob.
Oh, my God.
Look how many fucking Germans I killed.
Grandpa, you're a sick fuck.
Yeah. I ever show you my necklace of Japanese dicks? You're just like,
yo, are you okay, sir?
And then you just go to work, and that person works next to you is just like, what'd you do this weekend? Just spent time with my pop-pop.
Yeah.
Your pop-pop's a Nazi.
You're a fucking Nazi there. He's going through a box and shit, nigga. You find the wild, Iron Cross. You're like, yo, hold on, what the fuck is this?
Why do you have a picture with Adolf Hitler? It's a good photo of me.
Yeah,
like,
it was.
What? Excuse me.
I did it for clout.
I was the Takashi 6ix9ine of the Third Reich. I didn't really believe it, but you know, you're giving me free promo.
You know how much crap pussy I got off the strength of that photo?
You know what it
you
is?
little schmuck.
Nazi with the blocky now. Nazi getting started. Don't be retarded.
Oh my God.
I think we've broken the problematic.
It's like, it's like, yo, nigga, come on.
If you can physically see this iPad, there's a dent where the problematic like.
Yo, if you ever want to find niggas' fingerprints, it's right there.
We're gonna take this to Apple Store. They're gonna be like,
sir,
like,
I've never seen a hole in an iPad before.
They're
sir.
like, you're gonna have to take this to the Gateway store. They sitting there with like a fucking box shaped like a cow. Like,
yo, shit, nigga, I don't know. Man.
Like, Mero, I don't think we should get a Gateway. Like, Mero's like, oh, if we're gonna get an Apple, we don't get a Gateway. We're gonna get it. And Victor comes through like, dude, you can get a Dell,
man.
Dell should come back and use a Dell.
Yo,
let's go. Let's fucking go. Dude, you're getting a Dell. And then she turns around, she's like, blimey? And they're like, no, the computer. Boom,
she's like,
right there. So we'll give you $5 million. I'm a marketing executive.
Let's go.
I'm a genius.
Your niggas paid fucking somebody $1 million to have Rami Malek just talk about, hey man, I really like tangerines in my mouth.
His name is Mr. Robot. Okay.
Address him as such.
Okay. Also, we need to revolutionize our new... I think it should be legal. Because you know how women are able to put their phones in the titty?
Yeah.
Why can't men carry around their iPhones in their foreskin?
So that's the thing. I tried that.
Yeah.
I heard.
Is that illegal in Jersey?
Because I got a hefty foreskin. I heard it just, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Well, my dad told me this. He was like, yo, it makes you gay.
Yeah, I heard that too.
And I was just like, Dad, that's man homophobic. Like, you shouldn't say things like that.
Nah, if you like, if you're carrying stuff in your foreskin, you're probably, I don't know.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's not true anymore. Thank you.
Because you see this thing about the guy on Saturday Night Live, the new comic, and they pushed up like he has an old podcast, and he said he was like making Asian jokes and shit, and they was like, "Why are you pushing up old shit?" But it's like from 2018, and I was like, "Could that happen to us?" And I was like, "You know what would probably happen with us? Someone's gonna find like a wild problematic joke and push it up, and people are gonna be outraged, and someone's gonna be like, they have worse."
I've seen way worse.
I'm like, have you heard like the single digit episodes?
Have you heard the episodes where they had like 4 AKAs? I feel like they started making more AKAs to reduce the problematicness.
So I say this to say this. Don't push up our old shit, because when we did that, we were broke.
Yeah.
There you go.
Also, old shit, like, I feel like this should be like a statute of limitations of what old shit. Like, 2018 is not old shit.
Yeah.
2009, that's old shit.
Yeah.
Like, fam, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on, dog.
Like, we were all wild in 2009.
Fam, everybody was wild in 2009.
Yeah. 2009, that was
like, I don't know a nigga that wasn't wild in 2009.
2009, that was like Vietnam and shit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vietnam, Kennedy got murked. You know
Martin
what I'm
Luther
saying?
King got clapped.
That same one week, and shit was trending forever. It was wild,
bro.
The fucking Prince died like 2 days later.
What?
Yeah.
Who?
Yeah.
Prince,
bro.
What?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Erotic sit time. That nigga.
My favorite Prince song is Funky Cold Medina.
Yeah, that was a good one,
bro.
Yeah. Damn.
So Questlove is like,
he's like, niggas drumsticks just like spontaneously explode and shit like,
like doing a wild, so like Jimmy Fallon's like, relax.
You're going crazy. Come on, man. Come on, you're doing too much. You're going bananas, man. Yeah, shout out to Jimmy Fallon.
Jimmy having
8th appearance.
You know what appearances.
You know what I'm saying?
That's what you're just like, yo, what is this comedy life about? We've been on Jimmy Fallon 8 times. Nigga, what? I've never in my life ever watched Jimmy Fallon like, yeah, I'm gonna be on that show one day. And now that shit is just like a Thursday.
Yeah. It's like,
you know how ridiculous it is now? We know the security guards and we know all the producers by name. I know where the bathroom is.
Dog.
Like,
niggas go in there and it's just like, niggas don't even say hi to you because it's like you're
just a coworker.
Hey, what's up, dog?
Niggas like, y'all ready to go? They never walk us the stage. They're like, you know the routine.
Yeah. How the kids? I'm like, they're great.
And they actually know your kids' names and shit. How's your kid? I heard he's in the basketball. You know,
he's doing his thing. Yeah, my daughter just started track and field. She's doing pretty good.
Hey, D's, how's your puppy? Shout out to Mac. He got his little balls cut off this week.
Shout out to him. You know what I'm saying? You need that. You need
it's
that.
sad because he has to wear that cone.
Yeah.
That cone is so sad. He's looking at me like,
I know.
He's like, damn, nigga.
Yeah.
He wake up every morning like, eating different, breathing different.
Yeah, nah, I feel you. Bro. I went through that shit. I remember when Bradley had the cone and she was.
I thought she was about to say you because you said I went through this. I was like, you think you got a vasectomy? Did you get a vasectomy on the break?
No.
Damn.
I've been doing it the most.
That's right. Come to the Life is Beautiful concert in Las Vegas. We doing a live vasectomy on stage.
That's right, with a laser, nigga.
With a gem star.
Hologram Tupac is gonna do it.
Jesus drunk off 5 Becks. We gonna have Mero's hairy ass up in the stirrups. I'm gonna do the dance from Reservoir Dogs. The stuck in the middle with you dance. Just have the straight dance like. Doom, doom. You just be screaming and shit like.
I'm like, jail! Why is Steve Buscemi here?
I just stuffed the Dominican flag in your mouth like. Shh.
Just bite it. Just bite it.
Just rubbing on your leg like.
You do the nurse shit and be like, just a quick pinch. You're gonna feel a quick pinch.
It's like. To see 2 grapes bouncing down the.
Yo, damn. Yo, I saw this. Yo, that just reminded me. I saw this random. This is way like out there. But there used to be these very hyper violent Mexican movies on like the Spanish channels, like when not cable, like the regular joints, the antenna shits. And there was a scene where a dude shot another dude and pulled his balls out through his abdomen. I was like, what the fuck is this? And my pops is sitting there laughing. My mom's goes in the room. He's like, what the fuck are you watching, my nigga? Like, you're 7 years old. What the fuck
Do you know
watching?
the name of this?
I have no idea. Now it's going to torture me forever.
I'm sure it's not like a fever dream?
Nah. Now I got to go home and like look it up. I got to go on IMDb and just like start typing like ball removal, torture thing. And like my whole Google headquarters could be watching my search history. Like, yo, this nigga's really a Sucio gang for real.
Sad.
Like, yo,
sad.
Don't want me to get my balls removed. Go back to the program. Not that way. That's the nigga. That was like the worst type of vasectomy. Like, yo, I'm gonna reach in your belly button and pull out your nuts.
The worst type of vasectomy is if you're having sex with an animal and it just turns around and like bites your dick off. How you go to the ER after that?
Yo, Mr.
Next.
Yo, we got this fucking Mr. Hands ass nigga over here.
Sir, what brings you to the ER tonight?
Well, I tried to
Sir, you have to speak up. Sir, this is Jacoby Hospital.
Okay.
We are the only hospital with an attitude.
I don't know how to say this.
Sir, there's a lot of blood by your nuts. What's going on down there?
So that's why I'm here.
Glenda, come look at this nigga.
Okay. I was hoping it would just be me and you.
Nigga, this ain't a tiny desk concert.
Okay. Unfortunately, I had a jar of peanut butter. I accidentally put it on my genitals, and
you put peanut butter on.
And Mr.
He put peanut butter on his genitals, y'all.
Please, no, please. Is that the PA? Is that? Please, no, stop.
Attention, general audience in the Jacoby Hospital waiting room.
Ma'am.
We are going to shift who goes next to the doctor.
No, please, no.
You know, some of you got shot.
No.
And some of you are having babies.
No.
But this nigga was fucking a dog.
Oh, okay. All right. You know
some
what?
of y'all might have peanut butter allergies, so you might want to move away because this nigga got peanut butter on his dick.
Okay.
This nigga got peanut butter. Was it chunky or smooth?
It was smooth. Okay.
This nigga got smooth peanut butter on his dick.
Okay. All right.
Chunky is better.
You know what?
In the future, use chunky, you nasty nigga.
Okay. I'm gonna self-medicate.
Dark. Nah, if you out there and you struggling with bestiality, nigga, I don't know.
If you struggling with bestiality, nigga, I don't know. How hard is it to stop fucking goats? I don't know.
What if you just like in a like regular like a nigga just tried going on lunch break. And you just walk by with a Pomeranian, like, look at this sexy bitch.
You see a cat with his tail up and shit. You see the cat butthole. You just like,
Is there a support group? Is there 12 steps for like niggas that fuck? Well, you know what? Let's not call it animal fuckers. Okay. Maybe that's what keeps you away from our support group.
Niggas got light refreshments. It's just animal crackers.
Hey. How you doing? My name is Stan. I'm 3 years.
Hi, Stan.
Hi, Stan. Hi, Stan.
It's very brave of you. We love you. Thank you.
Hi, thanks.
Thank you for sharing.
Thanks. I'm 3 years, 6 months, 2 days, 10 minutes clean.
Amazing.
You know, I still.
How do you find the strength?
You know, I trust in my Lord and Savior.
Beautiful.
My Lord and Savior, Desus Nice.
Yeah.
The Bodega Boys podcast.
Yeah.
That podcast has stopped me from fucking animals.
You know what?
You know, I used to. I'm so disgusted at this.
You know what? No judgment. There's no judgment here. We're all flawed.
I would sit in my car.
Yeah.
And just like.
Let it all out, man.
Bay Plaza in the parking lot.
Yeah.
I would just do like poppers.
Yeah. That's fine. Yeah, you get your butthole loose. Yeah.
And I go in Petco.
Yeah. Just talk about it, man. Come on.
And you know,
let the pain go.
I jerked off a dog for money.
Okay, that's
I don't even know what the dog got money from.
Okay. Well, you know, it was okay. Well, you know, that's okay. That's okay. You know why?
I have feline AIDS. I gave it to my wife.
Wow. Okay. I guess you don't love your wife. You don't love your wife. No! Yo, you be into niggas, everybody's like fucking dogs and cats, and then there's one nigga that's like, yo, I'll fuck the dolphin or some wild shit, like, yo, I'll fuck the sea lion.
That's what. There's a dolphin down there coming like, yo, there's a dolphin in the hallway. This thing's so fucking that dolphin.
It's waiting for you in the car.
Like this man there was like, if you guys don't mind, I just gotta fill this bucket of water. I'll be right back.
I just went to SeaWorld and I saw
what animals is it okay to fuck? Like if you felt. Let me
That's all, folks.
Let me rephrase that.
What animals are sexy?
No, like we're partners in this.
Okay.
If it was to come out that I had sex with an animal,
okay,
what animal would you immediately lose respect for me?
If I mean,
like if I fucked a sexy fawn.
Oh, sexy fawn?
Like it had like long eyelashes.
Yeah. Then I'm
That's
like,
different?
okay. So he topped. He was a fawn. If you bottom with like a silverback gorilla,
what does the position matter?
I mean, because it's like a big ass gorilla. Just blow your back out.
Maybe I want to be cradled by a gorilla that looks like a locks cover.
Yo, nigga, come on, son. Niggas watch Pino. You know what time it is?
Fucking gorilla coming like, lock in.
Niggas hands look like feet.
Out.
Nigga grab your ass cheeks with his feet. No, man.
Nigga doing Amazon style, just hold you up like this. Listen, I don't know much about animal sex, but the gorilla chooses the position. That's what they say.
You have no say, nigga. None. It's a gorilla.
All right. Every position is missionary. All right, because you praying.
Yo. Oh shit.
Man. That's what people got to be. If you fall into like a gorilla pit,
yo, anything
like,
can happen. Nigga can kill
at
you.
Best they can kill you. Because imagine like your kids is there. That.
And then you just get your niggas just hit you with that daddy long stroke shit. You in the dry mode, you can't even get out. Nigga just blowing your cheeks.
Oh shit. Yo, that gorilla's cracking daddy shit.
Yo!
Your wife is like, breathe in.
That's what I do.
Breathe in. Yeah, it's easier if you breathe in.
Yeah, just take a deep breath. Yo! Oh shit!
A gorilla!
You mean to tell me you're more worried about the gorilla than Desus Nice? Huh? What is wrong with you people?
Gorilla flip you on your back and flip straight your legs. You to the crowd like, oh no. Mommy, what's he doing? He's becoming more intimate. Gorilla spit in your mouth and shit. Nigga tweaking your nipple like, yeah, what's up? What's up?
With the big ass gorilla finger, nigga. Put the shit in your mouth and shit like, yo, nah.
This cocoa pussy.
Nigga signs and shit too. Nigga's like, I'll blow this pussy up.
I'm out. I don't believe in cancel culture, but this podcast is canceled.
Yo, we're canceling ourselves.
We're canceling ourselves. Is that not what suicide is?
Yeah, you cancel yourself. You say something so problematic that you got to cancel yourself automatically.
That's not how suicide works. That's not how suicide works at all. I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
Yo.
Damn, we're on one today.
Yo, I feel like we can't get canceled because we make fun, like, everything that we make fun of is ourselves.
We can't be canceled because white people love us.
That's true.
Boom. Take that, darkies.
Hold that.
Yeah, what's up?
Wait till I'm doing this ice commercial. Y'all niggas gonna be sick.
Y'all gonna be sick when we fucking making chopped cheese with Martha Stewart. They're gonna be like, did they sell out? Nigga, we sold the fuck out.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm using Gouda, nigga. What's up?
Wait till we hear the fucking truth ads and shit.
Mero, are you juuling? Juuling has 5 times the amount of cigarettes.
Oh man.
Really? Wow. That's incredible. Don't be a jewel.
Don't be a jewel. Be a gem.
Ding, ding, ding.
Paid for by the Academy of the Rhyme. And we're like, how much we get paid for that? They're like, that's a public service now. That shit is like free.
Yeah, it's just free. Stupid.
Like,
are you serious?
Bro, get the Prius. We taking all this craft.
Nigga, I'm start smoking 8 joules at once.
Remember we went to when we were filming for MTV2 in California, and we took all the crafty. We turned my room into commissary.
Nigga, that shit look like a bodega. I was like, yo, how do we have a box of Reese's? I was like, first of all, and I was
that's
like,
where all the drug transactions came. And it's just like cracked the door. I was like, what you want? They was like, let me get some edibles and some Doritos. I'm like, I'll be right back.
I got you.
And I locked the door.
We the only niggas with Popeyes. Everybody else is eating like fucking quinoa and fucking shit. I'm like, nah, we don't fuck with that shit.
Niggas is washing our drawers in the sink. Because they was like, yo, if you go up the street, laundry is 76 cents a pound. I was like, oh, you thought?
You thought, nigga, shit. There's a perfect good sink and a bar of soap right here.
Exactly. Free bar of soap every day. The trick is you don't put the bar of soap on your shitty boxes and then put it on your face. You do the reverse. You know
exactly.
That's one thing Christian has taught me is patience.
Speaking of prison and patience and shit, I just saw that stupid ass fucking picture. Remember when niggas was doing like the phone challenge?
Yeah.
And holding on mad books? Oh God!
The phone, yeah.
I saw a picture of Lord Jamar, and the nigga had the worst fucking. He had like the art of all the jail nigga books,
Jail nigga
all
books?
the war, 48 Laws of Power, all the war,
Yeah.
all this bullshit. I was
The
like,
funny thing about jail nigga books is you can't get them in jail. You can only read them when you're outside of
when
jail.
you're to the jail.
It's wild.
It's like a master's program for jail niggas. Like you came out of jail. Oh, you finished undergrad in jail. Congratulations. Now you gotta
The
read all
bar
the
for
war.
like, if someone's impressed because you can read, damn, the bar is the floor. Nigga.
Yo,
Like,
it's super low.
like,
oh, you read? Wow, I'm impressed.
I
Like,
remember someone said that after we did a pod. They was like, "Oh wow!" I was like, "I be reading."
okay. Dog, I
be
read.
knowing who the Jet Beauty of the Week is.
Come on,
Okay,
stop playing with
I
me.
be practicing in case I ever got locked up.
I read the police blotter.
Okay, I know how
every
to
day.
jerk off to casual nudity. Right? Give me a Sears catalog. I go to town, nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
All right.
That JC Petty shit, nigga. We have the full coverage push up, bro.
Oh, them hoes wearing sweaters.
Ooh,
Ooh.
ooh. So boat neck.
Nigga, cut another nigga in jail like this nigga stole my stockings pictures.
And it just be stockings, dude. It don't even be like a full body. It's just like
There's a picture of stockings on the floor.
From the knee down, diabetic compression stocks and shit.
yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
You know, I like them plumpers.
Oh, shit. Oh, she got varicose veins. Ooh.
I like me a heavy praying woman. Oh, shout out to Popeyes.
Yeah.
Being that ghetto.
It'd be like, yo, bring your own bread,
Bring
nigga.
your own fucking bread.
BYOB. The
Yo.
B stands for buns, nigga.
So I was thinking, if we get like 4 bread makers, plug them up in front of a Popeyes.
and just pull up fresh buns.
Nigga, we had that shit popping like a fucking we had that shit jumping like
like
the
the
Carter. Just fucking go. Had niggas out there.
Just shorty's naked, baking bread.
out there. Make so much money we give away free turkeys at Thanksgiving. Yo, back that shit up. Yo, my nigga, we need more ciabatta bread over here.
Yo, you gotta hurry up
We
with
got
the potato
ciabatta
rolls.
bread, we got potato
You know what
bread,
I'm saying?
we got straight white bread.
Yo,
we got everything.
nigga.
Multigrain.
Yo, for extra honey, you get that brioche. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
I don't know where to put the accent on that shit, but yo, expensive.
Damn, Popeyes like, and they're just like, yo, it's just chicken tenders. Like, no, it's not. Nigga.
No,
wasn't it different?
It's different.
I don't know. I never had it.
It's really not. It's really just chicken. Yo, they did the Taco Bell shit where they just remix shit that they already got. It's like when you go in your fridge and you're like, yo, okay, I got milk, I got chocolate syrup,
and it's me,
and I got I got Sunny D and spaghetti, and somehow you make a meal out of that. Yo, that's what Popeyes is just like. All right, nigga, we got bread, we got chicken.
Popeyes like, yo, nigga, we make chicken. Stop coming here for sandwiches. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? Look how much fucking chicken we got.
Nigga just put a wing on a bun.
Like, nigga, where's our song? Love that chicken from Popeyes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Nigga, it's not love those sandwiches. Fuck that. Yo. Meanwhile, Arby's is like, yo, you want to eat with sex offenders?
Yo, what's good?
We here.
Yo.
We have the meats and shit. Like, don't bring your kids here.
You want a bathroom that got a fucking needle disposal in it, nigga? Holla. We got you.
We ain't put the needle disposal there. It's just Michael Anthony crouching down like, yeah, put it in my mouth.
Yeah.
I'll take a dirty needle, bro.
It's just the niggas put his cheeks like, yo, go ahead.
Just put it in.
Just put it anywhere.
Put it anywhere.
A-Rod style.
Got anything.
Yo.
I'm collecting hepatitis like Pokemon.
Fuck it, I love it.
You know what it is? Oh, that hepatitis H. It just dropped on Saturday.
It's very rare.
I had to use the hepatitis app.
Yo. Oh my god. Yo, I see mad people, speaking of fucking apps, the worst app in the world, the sneakers app. I see mad people getting mad about the fucking that Sakai drop.
Sakai drop, yeah, but those are the Sakai drop. You have to be rational about these things. There's certain sneakers you know from a year in advance you're not getting them. And the Sakai drop was like, there was like, nigga, you're not getting these. You're getting these with a regular sneaker app, my nigga.
You think?
Wow,
fam.
Wow.
Like low key flex. We went up there and there was motherfuckers from TV up there, like,
getting deaded on Sakai.
Getting deaded.
So
but
every now and then the sneaker app will give you access to like a super rare sneaker. And that's what's super frustrating, because you'll be out there and like, man, like 20 people like, yo, I didn't get it. You feel good. And then like 3 people like, I got it. And you be like, what the f? You're like, what do they do? And then in your head, you're like, I'm going to try harder next week. I'm going to wake up a little earlier. I'm going to get a faster connection. I'm going to turn off Wi-Fi and use the cellular. Doesn't matter.
Because Tyler got the bots on deck.
There's a kid in Flushing right now. He got 300 fucking Pentium computers running. He got the bots coming from Sudan.
They got the blockchain sneaker. I don't even know if that makes sense.
Yeah, right. Your man got the proxies on deck, burning them out 20 a second. He don't give a shit. He's in his father's black card.
I don't care.
He don't give a shit. He don't even wear sneakers. He wears Toms.
And then the fucking message they give you when you take an L, it's like, yo.
Well, the message depends, because if you're lucky, it's like, sorry you didn't get them. The worst message is you try to, and it's like, hey, log in. You're like, I am logged in. They're like, hey, who are you? Hey, nice. The fucking sneaker app turns to Joe Biden. I'm like, what is this shit?
Got Alzheimer's. Like, go to sneakers 3030569.
This guy wants a pair of retro. Okay, give him the Jordans. Oh, listen, Pally. Oh. I'd forget my glasses if they weren't on a chain around my neck. Listen, funny story. See, what? Oh, because it's 10:05 already.
Did I get them or not? They dropped 5 minutes.
They get swamped on these sneaker days.
What happened?
Hold on, let me sit down. Can I get a sarsaparilla over
here? Yeah, but it's like just yes or no.
So
if no, then I gotta go.
Funny story.
Something else.
So I was like, look at this guy. He got the chains.
Yeah.
He got the Rock Nation hat. He's definitely going to the brunch.
Yeah, I'm going to the brunch.
Guys, give him the sneakers.
That's why I got the sneakers. To go with the hat and everything. Go to the brunch. Yes.
The Sakai sneakers.
The Blazers. Right? The Blazers. Yeah. They match the hat, gray, and the thing.
So I go, okay. My guy, what's your name?
Mero.
Okay, so my guy Mero over here with the chains and the hats, the Rock Nation hat. You going to the brunch?
So I got it.
So I said, this guy here, he'd be good for the Blazers. He's a good guy.
Yeah. So that means I got him.
So Marty, he's been working here.
Who's Marty?
I want to say about 12 years. Good kid.
Okay.
He had a little bit of a crack addiction.
Okay, I don't want to interrupt you because I respect my elders. What the fuck are you saying right now? Did I get the sneakers or not?
I get my sarsaparilla. I'm a little thirsty.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo.
So anyway, I got the sneakers coming for you.
Where are you going with this? Are you okay? Do you need some Chiantics?
Don't interrupt, please.
Did you take your Lipitor, Pops? Are you okay? Is you feeling any numbness in the left side of your body?
You know what? Cancel the sneakers. Cancel the sneakers.
No.
Yeah.
I had to.
Yeah, use the code SPIC.
No.
Get it out of here. Get it out of here. People fucking rude. Trying to have a fucking conversation with you people. Okay?
No, but I was just trying to, because I gotta.
You're lucky.
I gotta
in the 80s, I voted that y'all people couldn't vote. You couldn't donate blood. What? I should have went with that. Get out of my store. Get out of my store.
All right. Okay. You got it.
It's the nerve of these people.
Got it.
Fucking Puerto Ricans.
Fucking call Nike right now. Yo, listen, y'all gotta stop hiring geriatric niggas, man. This shit is crazy.
I own the Cowboys.
Yo, shout out to Jerry Jones. Yo, he looks like a corpse.
He looks like a corpse, except when he's getting that sloppy meat hand.
Yo.
Yeah, we getting that. You know what I'm saying? We getting that hamburger helper without the dinner. If you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, remember?
Man.
Don't forget, he got caught in the massage parlor. Okay,
I want to have an intimate conversation with sex workers about like, how do you mentally prepare yourself for like a Jerry Jones?
I want to have an intimate conversation with Jerry Jones about him getting his fucking dick beat. Niggas was on his pipe like drumline.
You know he's in some nasty shit too. Because it's like, yo, bro, you too old, you too rich. You is in some nasty shit.
He probably was like spit in my mouth.
Yeah.
No, that's even that. That's like he probably was on
that's
some
regular.
He's probably some weird shit like, yo, let me dig earwax out your ear.
He's like, sweetheart, I've been pooping in the toilet for a week in the hotel.
Rubbing on my chest.
Yeah. It's been marinating. It's ready for you. Yeah, I want to watch you eat it and then spit it in my mouth. I'm like, ew, nigga, what?
But you get to a certain price point, and it's like J-Lo said, love don't cost a thing. I don't know. Right, But yeah, you start asking for different shit. Like my new shit now is I like to hire Ubers, and then at the light, just hire like a chick to just like punch the driver and just start choking the shit out of him.
Oh, yeah. That's
and leave the meter running.
That's low-key arousing.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Because I'd be like, stop, it's Surge. It's a Surge. What's wrong with you? It's 20% more.
Yo, let's discuss surge pricing.
Let's discuss.
How do you...
Let's talk about surge pricing. Let's talk about surge pricing. Let's talk about all the high times, all the low times you can be. Let's talk about surge highs. These are the night. And the Kid Mero, we're here for Uber for their corporate events. Guess what, drivers? We don't need you.
And if one more of you niggas cancels my fucking ride because you start the ride and you realize that I'm going from Jersey to New York, I'm chasing your car down the block and I'm fucking you up.
Nigga throw rocks
like in Terminator 2 when the nigga just hung on to the back of the car
like Joe Button with rocks. Like, yeah,
yo, got you, motherfucker. Yo,
I haven't. You know what? I haven't.
How do you finesse surge pricing? Because happy birthday, Heather. You know what I'm saying? Took her out to go see The Temptations on Broadway, which is
the actual Temptations?
Not the actual Temptations.
Oh, okay.
It's like the musical.
I was really like, I think the nigga's dead.
They're dead, yeah. And it's wild because I was like,
are niggas out there scamming?
There's like 25 of them, dog.
Mm-hmm.
Like, they're still out
the boardwalk.
Oh. But so we go to that shit, and then we leave, and she's like, yo, no. Let's not get the Uber here because everybody's is letting out and the surge is gonna be ridiculous. Let's walk. I'm like, okay, what is that gonna do? Walking from 45th to 53rd is not gonna reduce the price of the fucking Uber.
It does.
And we did that, and the price actually went up. I was like, why don't we go closer to where we're going?
No, that's not how the surge works. You have to get out the surge area. The surge area, because you guys left a Broadway show, is that immediate area where all the Broadway shows are. So what you should have done is either walk down and try to get to like the more desolate part, because that's what you guys were at where?
Like 40, like the theater district, like 40.
You wanted to get away from 42nd Street. You want to get closer to like 38th.
So then that's what I said. I was like, yo, if anything, we should walk down.
Yeah.
Instead of up. Like, why are we walking
There used to be
uptown?
an app that used to tell you where to go to get out the surge, but Victor's coming through hot. Victor's coming through hot.
Oh, shit.
Victor's coming through hot. We got a report. We got a report. Social Boys report. Here we go. Me. This nigga watching theater. Hey.
Musicals too, dog.
Wow.
No shame, nigga. Fuck that.
This nigga's cultured.
Yo, but you know what's the real shit? Yo, shout out to that musical because the crowd was half like white, like Billy Joel ass Long Island white people that are like, I love Motown. It's so whimsical. And then the other half was like black people who like, yo, I grew up on this shit.
Yeah.
Like whatever. So
wait, for your birthday, you took your wife to see black people dancing and singing for your entertainment?
I see what. Not today, Satan. No. No.
That's my special power, fighting anti-blackness.
So he went there, and it was
so y'all could go to that. I had got y'all tickets for Coon Jamboree 7. I paid VIP, so y'all got the blackface.
I was gonna go, and then Heather was like, "I don't feel comfortable." I was like, "Just shut up and put the shoe polish on your face, bitch." She's like, "This isn't right. This isn't right.
It's my birthday.
I'll do my own.
I'll do my own blackface." So when Sarah Silverman is like, "I don't. What's the joke?"
Yeah, take that. Yeah, but there was a moment in that shit where it was like, Martin Luther King got assassinated, and they was like, and they got
Hold the fuck up.
Yeah.
Yo, man, see, this is what I'm talking about. That's why we need more black news organizations and shit. Cause Breakfast Club over here interviewing Malik Yoba, and this shit over here happening.
Look,
like, come on.
You see what I'm saying?
Damn,
be your own
nigga.
people, man. Or listen,
See?
like Angela Ryan said,
The best way to hide information is in a butthole.
you know what I'm saying?
Damn.
Shout out to sis, you know what I'm saying? With Jules.
Yo, what the fuck is wrong with us today, man? I'm out of here. Actually, I got your number.
Well, these are 6 a break to get a beer. I'd like to tell y'all niggas that Cash App is paying for this shit. So shout out to them. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Cash App and shout out to that nigga.
Shout out to all you dummies out there that retweet accounts that aren't Cash App, but they're just like, we're going to give you money? Like, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Yo, the only people that give y'all money for real is Cash App. All these other niggas is lying.
Also,
you know what I'm saying?
A lot of verified accounts do it, and I'm like, nigga, you already have money. Why you?
Yo, The Rock, why are you trying to get $5,000 from Cash App?
If like, you smell what The Rock is retweeting.
Yo. How about that ad read, nigga?
Shout out to us. We got 170 episodes. We haven't done any straight up
goofy ass ad read like, oh, well, if you like abortions, Planned Parenthood on Burnside Avenue is the place for you. Like, what?
If you like abortions?
Yo, it's crazy because
I'm like, do we got to read this copy the way? Like, Victor's like, yes.
Yes,
like,
exactly.
Right,
verbatim. Verbatim.
Yo, y'all ladies like your abortion's lit as fuck? Come to Burnside Avenue. We're like, yo.
Bring your baby father.
Yo, we the only abortion clinic that got hookah.
We got a baby father pavilion where he can fight with other niggas in Burberry shirts.
Yo, get your nails done while you get your pussy scraped. Yo.
Oh my God. It's like nail lounge on Dykeman and shit. Niggas give you a mani-pedi and an AB at the same time. Like, yo,
how dare you? I've never made you read an ad read. Ever. We were all rooting for you. Yo, I'm proud of that shit. You could never have to sit through an ad read. Except that one time with Hypnotic.
We're like old, like the old rap niggas that are like, yo, man, I write all my own shit.
I write my own rhymes.
I write my own rhymes, nigga.
No Ghost Riders.
Never did an ad read, nigga.
Fuck that.
Fuck out of here.
Fuck that.
Hypnotic was like, yo, your niggas gotta do ad reads. We're like, yo, son, remember that one time we drank Hypnotic and fucking did a jukes? That shit was lit.
Yeah.
Hypnotic, commit a felony.
I mean, that's how it works.
Basically.
Take a sip of Hypnotic and see if that velour sweatsuit don't. You just it appears on you like a fucking like, Spider-Man, Iron Man suit.
Like, yo,
like,
oh shit, I'm a Nietzsche man.
Oh shit. Oh shit, I'm mad wash. I'm gonna start waking up at 11 and go straight to the basketball court. Yo. Oh, I feel a certain urge to go boof Similac from Target.
God damn.
Oh shit.
Take OS for life. Shout out to Big Time Tommy, yo. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to homie, Big Time Tommy.
You know what I'm saying? I don't know why I said that. I just feel like he's like
what's that guy named Holster? Hollister? Pray for me. Remember something that?
Yeah, Dave Hollister.
Not Dave Hollister.
I was just fronting on that Dave Hollister tip.
Nigga said Dave Hollister like you are a DMV worker from 2003. What the fuck?
Excuse me, my baby can sing.
Okay.
My baby can sing. That's the singer. Nowadays, y'all got y'all little Jacquees and y'all little Chris Browns. Those are not real singers.
All right, we understand. We understand you like real singers. She's
real
like,
singing, like Keith Sweat.
You know,
that was a vocalist.
She's like, you know what time it is? It's time for real singing o'clock.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Turn off that Hot 97.
Don't play
Ebro
that.
ain't even talking about nothing of matter.
No.
Here's some real music.
Stop playing that whispery R&B stuff. That's nonsense.
All right? If y'all want some real music,
that's right.
You really trying to fuck? Here's some real music.
And if it wasn't for the dough,
a little Jaheim, all right?
You know what I'm saying?
I like a nigga that look like he got a good job, but also will kill other niggas.
You know what I'm saying?
What is this accent we're doing?
Yeah, just hit it. I went into like auntie for a second, and then I was just like, what's happening here? And then I see Jaheim pop up on the screen.
Are we do we just hate a certain whole group? Are we just wilding? You know what's gonna happen? We're gonna find out in the future that the government put super chips in us and they're watching us to see how much entertainment we can provide.
Yo, we're like the Bourne trilogy shit, but like for comedy.
Yeah. Wow. Seems like a waste of resources. Like,
God damn.
They was like, we could trade them to be killers. Somebody was like, or
we could make them mad funny and whoa.
See in our new movie, Chuckle Sluts. Just like fighting some guy. He's like, you know why? Why am I like this?
Yeah, flashbacks and shit like.
What's wrong with you?
You on stage at like the Chuckle Hut and shit,
like,
doing crowd work.
You're a chuckle slut. And this is like cause a flashback. I'm like,
no. You just hear like wee, like man.
You are Mero and choosing at young ages. It just shows like back when we were kids. Like, we're just like making people laugh in the classroom. They just take us out. They're like, go see the principal. They just take us out and they have us like running on a treadmill with the fucking tube under our nose.
And then, like we got like tattoos behind our ears and shit. Like we don't even know about. They're like
they just doing mad push-ups. Like knock, who's there?
knock, who's there? Knock, who's there? Orange, you
glad this shit banana? Like shocking us and shit. Niggas got us like locked in a cage. We gotta get in the bottom of the pool and do a Mad Lib.
In a Speedo. Yo. Oh shit, nigga.
Be a good movie.
Black Side Comedy Training.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
The Black Site run by Michael Blackson.
Oh shit.
They're like, did y'all even like finish the script? Like,
nah.
Like
it's like the final season of an HBO show. We just like phoned it in.
I'm gonna be honest with you. We wrote this in the lobby while waiting for this meeting. So I wrote it on my phone. There's a lot of misspellings, and
but it's part of the appeal.
You get it.
It's very DIY.
You know the problem is, like, we can't do that right now, but there are people in Hollywood that can do that.
Oh yeah.
Just pull something out their ass.
Bro, I forgot who I was talking to, but they were like, yo, how did you do this?
What was this guy's name? This guy, he gets away with it all the time. He has terrible movies all the time, and he still gets to make movies.
Adam Sandler.
Adam Sandler. There you go.
Yo, that nigga gets a movie every year.
Maybe he made a movie about a remote control.
Fam. The entire premise of the fucking movie was that he could pause life, bro. I was like, his cable remote became the control for his life.
You know,
I was
just
like,
a jerk.
Come on.
Man, you're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
Remember they made that video game movie and everyone was amped, and then there was like he's in it.
This shit is bad.
But the movie he's in with Chris Rock and them, that shit makes money.
Oh yeah,
it's like overwatch old guys.
Yeah,
so
everybody that watched like SNL in like the 90s, they're like, oh my guys, because it's Adam Sandler, David Spade, Chris Rock, and like I feel like they throw a random other nigga in there. Like
David
Kevin
Spade gets
James
a lot of chances,
fam.
David Spade gets a lot.
Niggas want to talk about white privilege. That is like the
epitome.
That
of
is like
shit.
Dictionary definition.
David, because every time he pops up with a new show, I was like, I thought he was dead, bro.
I thought this nigga OD'd on coke in '98.
In front of the Viper Room by the London
with River Phoenix.
Wow. But no, he's still out here. He's still alive.
Still out here with the same haircut.
Still alive. You know what I'm saying?
What's Chris Kattan doing right now?
Who? Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
See, comedy's scary.
Yeah.
Comedy's scary. One day you're the top.
Yeah, nigga. Next day you over here like niggas on the podcast. It's like, what is that nigga doing?
Right? That's the cycle. That is the cycle. When niggas look at you a little too long when you get in that Shake Shack burger, but then just keep it moving.
Like,
yeah, fuck it. It's not worth it.
Yeah, I would ask, but then what if he's a dick? If he's a dick, I'm gonna be like, yeah.
He's probably like super ripped right now.
Oh yeah.
I'm so high I don't know how to open my laptop.
Me too.
Fuck it.
Who cares? Yeah, just put the bottle cap on top of that shit.
Oh shit. Oh, special guest in the house. Young Sachi in the house. Coming out. Sachi. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit, Mo in the house. Yeah. Welcome in.
Yo.
Yeah.
See, but look, let me tell you something. Come over here. Wait. Step over here for 1 second, please.
Satra in the house.
Satra's in the house.
Satra, the stylist of the gods for No More Show at Late Night.
Stylist in the house.
Yo.
Likes to act like she's broke. We got the Balenciaga hat on decky. This is clearly Stone Island. You know what I'm saying? The guap is being spent.
Check the fit.
Look at the feet. The Siagas. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
And then she tried to be humble with the champion shorts.
Stunt.
You know what I'm saying? Stunt on them one time, queen.
Stunt on the haters.
Stunt queen.
On the haters.
Stunt on them haters, queen.
Yeah.
Talk to him. That's right.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Young Sachi in the house.
Swag God. Swag God.
Swag God.
Give it up for the swag God one time. Should turn into drink champs one time. Like, yo, give it one time. What was the time?
You know what? Now that we've had vacation, I think we should start designing clothes.
Fuck it.
I've been looking at what Virgil's doing. We could do it.
We could definitely do that, bro.
Nigga. So we got our first edition, our first Nike. Aaron, I hope you're hearing this. We're releasing a limited edition of low Air Force Ones, black ones, but on the side is wrote Juke. Yeah. And they come with a box cutter.
Yeah.
For my white kids out there.
Oh, yeah.
Or the white girls are going to be like, how do I get them dirty? You don't.
You don't.
Stop
do not.
it. And stop walking on Danny pills, a.k.a. those feelers, all right? Shit's not cool.
My babysitter pulled up with those, and I was like, boy.
Where you going in that? Every time I see someone that wears them, I'm like, you work for Fader? Can I ask you about the new XX album? No, how do white girls get Air Force Ones so dirty?
Yo.
Like, I know that the only way in the hood you get Air Force Ones that dirty if you wear them while you're mowing the lawn or you're recycling cans niggas left in the garbage.
Straight up.
And then you see people, and I'm like, I know you have a trust fund.
Yep.
Why are your sneakers this dirty?
Are they buying them used?
That's our new business. We will put authentic Bronx dirt on your Air Force Ones, ladies.
Holla at your boys.
Let's go.
DRT app.
There you
know
go.
What I'm saying? You get a crispy pair.
Gwyneth Paltrow, send us a pair of Air Force Ones. We'll hook it up for you.
You know what I mean? You don't gotta spend a G at Golden Goose.
We
you know
got
what I'm saying?
that.
We got
Fuck
you.
Golden Goose.
You know
we
what I'm
are the
saying?
Golden Goose.
That's right.
We'll let you pick the project you want us to stomp around
Exactly.
in. And you let us know, do you want elevator schmut? Do you want incinerator smut?
You know what I mean?
Do you want just regular garbage
You
shit?
want urine.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? You want human feces, pit bull feces.
You know what I'm saying?
We could do potpourri. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
We could step in a cat litter box from Titi Yvette that live in 3B. She got like 28 cats.
You know what I'm saying? If you don't really care about ethics, we could throw a little placenta on there. Don't ask no questions.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean? Get it real chunky like
You know
peanut
what I
butter. Ew.
Have homie on the 2 train that got a bag full of bags to jack off into your shit. You know what I mean?
We're going to inject them with heroin.
Boom.
When you walk, you get heroin. Where you shot.
Pow.
It's like
the bubble. The airbags bubble
but
full of dope.
heroin. Yeah, dog food. You know how they have the self-lacing ones? We're gonna make the first Air Force Ones that balance for niggas that nod out and shit, so you won't ever fall when you nod out. Listen,
you know what I'm saying?
We for the people, bro.
We think about you.
We for the people.
You know what I'm saying?
Now you don't gotta be embarrassed. Like they be like, yo, Mero, ain't that your pops leaning over there?
Nah,
anymore.
Nah, he's chilling. That nigga's doing yoga.
Nigga doing the Annie or yoga. Wow, he really a smooth criminal.
Yo, he's a big fan of Mike. You know what I'm saying?
That's what your fucking heart sounds like.
My nigga, are you okay? My nigga, are you okay? Are you okay? No, I can't.
They actually just fucking mumble. Like, you okay? This fucking bitch, you okay?
Okay. You need some Narcan?
Also, if you guys ever forgot, the official headquarters of all people doing dope in New York City is the IHOP on 125th Street.
Absolutely.
I stand by this. My God,
1,000%.
why does that place exist?
That is the satellite for them.
They don't even have security.
Satellite.
I don't understand why that building exists.
It doesn't.
There's nobody wants pancakes at 3 a.m. on Tuesday. Okay,
Nobody.
They go in there with a heavy coat, got a shotgun underneath it.
I don't know what it like. How do they like? I want to see their business model.
I want to know.
It's so mysterious because you could go in there. Yeah, you could go in there and eat a whole ass meal for like $20.
Yeah,
like for real, like 12 pancakes, and then they do that shit where kids eat for free.
Yeah,
like you can't do that shit in the hood.
This is how IHOP makes money. While they're busying you with the food because the food is so heavy and they give you so much.
Oh shit!
And you get all tired, they break into your car.
Decalcify.
the chefs. They go in your car. Like they take money out you, like the change purse and shit.
Shit,
Yeah.
that's what
it is. It's like in Waffle House, how niggas would take your daughter. It's that kind of thing, you know. Like it's just how it's set up.
I see how y'all do.
You see how it is.
See, so that's why I'm only leaving Nature Valley granola bars in my shit from now on.
Is there a Crystals near you?
No.
Okay.
But it's like that's basically like Southern White Castle. No?
It's White Castle with mustard, but Crystal is the only fast food restaurant I've been to that you can pay with a fist fight. Like niggas will come around the corner and be like, "Square up, pussy." I'm like, "All right, well, let's go." Last time I was in New Orleans, and Shorty put her hair in a bun, was like, "Let's gut it."
I think White Castle's implementing that shit too, though, because Mama Dude took his apron off real zesty the other day. Was just like, "Yo, what's popping, my nigga?
Who the fuck ordered cam clips?
Huh? Coward."
Bodega Hive, I'm disappointed. What's going on with the clam strip challenge?
Clam strip challenge.
I haven't seen any women deep throating clam strips.
Come on.
I haven't seen anyone like putting a clam strip on their head like
Come
the
on,
money
son.
phone. Come on.
I be seeing my son B King. He got women eating cucumbers, be
Let's
like
go.
for free.
Let's
Like
eat these clam strips,
son.
dog.
Fuck them up with the tartar sauce.
You know what I'm saying?
Dump the
Without
whole
the
bag,
tartar
B.
sauce.
If you can eat it with no hands, even better. Just dump the shit on a plate. Put your hands behind your back.
You just go to town on some clam strips.
Go ham.
I don't know. You don't want that video on the internet.
That's true. Yeah.
You're not gonna get a good job.
Yeah, you're probably not.
Nigga said clam strips. Like a clam is this big.
Yeah, bro. You know how many clams? I just imagining like the nigga in the back like shucking clams for like 28 hours. Like
Yes.
Or do they
There's a guy shucking clams at White Castle.
yeah, right.
Yeah.
I think I went to Restaurant Depot and got
Okay,
like a fucking 500-pound bag.
The guy shucking clams at Red Lobster at White Castle, he's going to HR because shucking clams means masturbation. There are no real clams at fucking White Castle. I'm dying at the idea of this is bringing like a bag full of clams.
Just opening them up and
So like the one on fucking Tremont and shit.
like, nigga, you
Hey Jerome, these are fresh. He's
like-
put on the fucking glove and shit.
nigga squirting lemon juice on them shit. It's like, no. That's not how it goes down, guys. Sorry.
Like I said, shucking clams.
Listen, dog. Like,
White Castle.
I try to give niggas a benefit of
Do you
doubt.
know what? I actually learned this fact about White Castle. Because of the book, The Jungle by Upton Sinclair, which is about discussing habits in like restaurants and meat dispensaries and stuff, White Castles was created because they were white and the buildings was white and it was like so clean. Everyone was like, I could trust it. And that is not a made up fact. That is an actual fact. So
That's like the dumbest comments. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's like if you listen to it, it's like, oh, that makes perfect sense. But
Yeah.
then you're like, nah, it's actually made up.
Also, doctors didn't wash their hands until like the 1920s or some shit. So niggas go straight from like a funeral and just like deliver a baby.
Yeah, nigga wipe their ass, get a little dude under their fingernail, and then perform open heart surgery, and then wonder why you died, but from a staph infection.
Also, if you get open heart surgery in 1920, like nigga,
Just give it up.
you're asking for a lot. You're asking for a lot. Like nigga, we barely got cars. Now you want me to whoa. Yo, big man over here wants me to open his heart, fix it, and put it back together. All right.
This nigga said double bypass?
My nigga, our pornography is ankles.
I don't even know what a single bypass
Did
is.
they even have masturbation? They probably had like a wild complicated machine, like a
Imagine
machine you put a ball in the top and it rolls down and like hits a levee and shit.
Like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, boom, and then you nut. Yo, imagine how fucking foul society would be, nigga, if you couldn't jerk off. Niggas would be fucking tight. There would be so many more physical altercations.
How would they stop you from jerking off? Oh, you mean like if you physically could not jerk off?
Like,
if you could only ejaculate from sex?
From sex. Like, you couldn't beat your meat.
There'd be so many shootings. Oh my god. So many.
That's scary. That's a real scary
So many
future.
little Call of Duty Eminem fans.
That's what they should do. Because you know how they got the Wi-Fi shit now in the city? Like, just set up jerk-off stations. So dudes are like mad frustrated and got mad pent-up anger. Just go in there, jerk off.
So you want guys to walk around?
No. Like, you know how they got a better comparison is the breastfeeding stations that they have at airports.
Not the same. Not even the same.
Where you could like open a door and it's like get a moment of privacy to breastfeed your child. You know what I'm saying?
You know what? I didn't want to have to be that guy. That's right. Mero, the same way he botched the NBA 2K announcement, we like to announce we are bringing Sushi Boys boots to all your favorite airports so you can beat your meat while waiting for your flight.
You know what I'm saying?
10-hour delay, 10-hour fillet.
You know what I'm saying? You don't like to fly a little anxious. You know what I'm saying? Just rub one out real quick.
Get
Relax.
money.
What you say?
Get money. Sir, you paid for 34 minutes.
Sir, you don't even have a movie on. What are you doing?
We just kill him with the upsell. I like, yeah, we can see the porn, but you gotta pay for like the cum scene. They're like,
yeah, it's in that purchase.
Like you can watch any porn you want, but just the dialogue and the setup.
You can watch when homie's driving. He's like, today we're going to do a scene with.
Add $25 if you like to continue.
You're like, what? What the fuck, dog?
And the door just opened. Last warning, the door's gonna open.
You're like, yo, shit, hold on.
Nigga just run into the flight with like his dick out, like Now boarding group nasty nigga.
Nasty motherfucker.
Should we open a airline that does like porn? That just instead of showing regular movies, they just show Pino?
Mad Pino? And you can fuck on a plane and shit?
I don't know about all that. Like that'd
be groundbreaking.
I mean, if you got the lie flat bed, but that's a lot of pressure and shit. If you just want to sleep and shit,
you could.
Niggas
it could be like, yo, sleeping section, fucking section.
Why you gonna fuck on a plane? There's like no air, like the air pressure's all low and shit.
Yeah, that's
nigga pass out.
That's how I don't watch because I'm like, that doesn't even sound appealing. Like, I was, you niggas talking about the Mile High Club and shit. And like,
niggas fucking on a plane and like, sir, do you want the beef stroganoff or not?
I'm like, I'm trying to make some beef stroganoff right now. You fucking up my flow.
You put hot coffee, you gotta hold on to it. It's just like turbulence.
You try to fuck in an airplane bathroom, fam, you are a national hero or a moron.
Airplane bathrooms is weird.
They're tiny.
I can say this, and I'm very proud of this. I have never taken a shit in an airplane bathroom.
I did one time, and I felt ashamed. And I ran on the plane.
Like,
I you know what it was? I fucked up. It was not even Shake Shack, McDonald's, nigga.
Wow.
And they had just. For some reason, they weren't serving breakfast, even though it was a red-eye flight. So I had to smash a double quarter pounder with cheese and a fucking big-ass Sprite. And then the French fries. The French fries is always what puts me over the top. And once I got in that airplane B, I was like, yo. I told homie, and I even gave him a shout-out on Twitter. I was like, yo, shout out to the crew on United. Because I was like, yo, fam, I lost my chapstick. I need chapstick. And I got to take a wild shit right now. I'm gonna keep it real with you, my nigga, and I gotta do this shit now before people get on the plane because I ain't going in that plane after fucking Father John and fucking the whole missionary team done pissed all over the seats. That's the worst. Because a lot of these motherfuckers go in there barefoot and just step on human
I've
urine.
noticed the amount of people that go on. Listen, when you planes is different, bro. Planes is different. Planes is different because a plane, like you could be a normal person, you just pull out like a smashed chicken McNugget out your pocket and eat it. And niggas don't look at you like a savage.
I'm like, yo, what the fuck is he? Oh, my man.
Oh man,
wear cozy socks. Nigga, wear slippers, bro. I don't want to see your toes like curling and uncurling like cocktail
I think that's taking an emergency dump on a plane. Like, you know, like you gotta feel for people. Like they don't want to take the dump, but some people look too comfortable.
Yeah,
some people look like it's just what it's what.
That guy is the guy that does it mid-flight. See him walk into the bathroom with like a magazine,
with the in-flight magazine.
Yeah,
nigga walk to the bathroom with the menu.
Like, yo, I know what you about to do, man. Nigga, like,
maybe I get the power box. Maybe I get the strength box.
Yeah.
One has cheese.
Yeah. Well, you know, I'm lactose intolerant, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this pre-dump.
You know this? I am emptying the luggage bin, so you know. Also, shout out to airplane meals, which are like if you bought them when you were not in the airport, it'd be just $2. Now you're paying $17 for an egg, 4 grapes, and a piece of cheese.
Yo, and it's up on a plate with a fucking the weirdest. Yo, I've never seen salt shakers weirder than airplane salt shakers.
Yeah,
I'm like, what is this fear that you're giving me? Like, where does the salt come out from, dog? Like, do I gotta open it? Is that like a Pokemon bowl?
It's different, dog.
Like, yo, I'm still getting used to this shit, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
we should take airlines, and we should take people in prison and make them flights. Nah, that's a terrible day.
He's like, never mind.
They're like, so you want to make Con Air? I was like, yeah, no.
You want to make Con Air?
I didn't think that through. I'm sorry.
Nicolas Cage up there, like,
when we get rich, we just get paid by people to make ideas. Like, we're gonna be like smoking Mad Lotus and shit.
Yeah, we'll be a think tank.
I just throw it out there and be like, that was terrible. He's giving us terrible ideas all the time.
Fuck it.
I was like, Cabbage Patch Kids, but they have herpes.
Boom. Pow. You take the fucking diaper off, you're like, oh, okay.
Okay.
All right, blue waffle. All
wow.
Right.
Nigga said blue waffle.
Yeah.
Should we do, since Rihanna did the Diamond Ball, should we do like a Bronx Ball?
Yeah.
Like, just invite Bronx people?
Yeah.
We're going to have it at
Villa Baron.
There you go. Boom, right there.
Go. Boom, Villa Baron.
No.
Or.
No. We're having it at Kings Harbor.
At Pelham Gardens.
Your Bronx neighbor who cares for you. All right?
Boom.
Listen, come through.
You know what I'm saying?
Push all the old people aside.
Yeah.
They
like,
got wheels. They don't care.
Yo, go over there.
You go over there. You'll go rehab over there.
Enjoy the show.
Get out of here. There's a ramp.
Here's your incontinence pills. The Depends over on the right. You on your own. All the orderlies are like security and shit. They all got scrubs on and shit. Like, yo.
All their IVs is for hookah. Yo, that's my aunt's blood. I'm like, not tonight.
Not tonight,
Not
nigga.
tonight. Tonight, this shit is mango.
It's just P.O. ripping IVs out of niggas' arms and shit. Like, give me that, my nigga. Give me this.
Special performance by Shells.
Oh my God.
That's right.
Yo.
Bronx Ball. You know
what
what
I'm saying? It's your favorite.
Bring your favorite
assisted living facility.
Bring your favorite NASCAR racing jacket. All right.
The M&M joint.
I'm coming through with the Hebrew National joint. Very rare. A lot of Goyams never seen it.
Yo, the Hebrew National shit. I'm gonna rock this shit on Rosh Hashanah, nigga. Like, yo, what up?
What's up? What up? What up?
What's poppin'?
What's up? You come back. You can't wear. Shut up. I asked you to a higher authority.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right. As a kid, I was like, yo, Jewish people got their own hot dogs.
Yo, that's wild.
That's wild.
Yo,
like, what the fuck are we eating?
Language and shit. And I tried them once and I was like, yo, they're mad good. But they're mad good compared to like the fucking Crasdale fucking beef flip hot dogs that my mom used to cop because they were like 50 cents a package.
4% less raccoon. You're like, all right.
All right.
My father worked for Bank Leumi, one of the most famous Israeli banks.
Okay.
And so they'd have company picnics in the summer. And in the company picnics, they'd be like, yo, it's time to eat. But like, the fucking kosher food's ready first. Like, the kosher niggas eat at 11, y'all niggas eat at 3. I was like, what? Oh, yeah. Them niggas got Italian ices, daddy.
All we got is chicken tenders and sake fries.
I was like, why they Frank smell better?
Yo, facts. Why they snap when you bite them?
They're like, get out of here, you little goyim. I was like, what? Who's that? What?
Yo, this nigga chief hit me up. He was like, yo, I used to do deliveries to like a Hebrew, like a Jewish deli, like a kosher deli, whatever. And like, he's like, yo, that food. He's like, yo, son.
It should be different.
He's like, yo, that shit is different, nigga. Yo, them niggas, they give a fuck about what they eat.
They do.
You know what I'm saying? I was like, word? I was like, let me find out. Yeah, and then I started going to the delis and shit, and I was just like, God damn, this shit is different.
Let me find out you at fucking Carnegie Deli in like a fucking Hodge egg full of ham.
Shot the motherfucking kosher nosh, nigga. I'm up there fucking that pastrami up, boy. And it's funny because the dude that works the deli is a Dominican guy. So I'm just like, yo, everybody else in there is wild Jewish except the Dominican guy. He's like, Papi, what you want it? I'm like, let me get a pastrami, some challah, let me get a potato salad, and I think that's it.
That's like last night. I was in a restaurant in Crown Heights. That was a Mexican restaurant, and there was not one Mexican be seen.
You know, it's time to bounce.
It was just like fucking Molly from Carbondale was like, would you like a torta?
Ma'am, it's a torta. But
would you like sopa? I was like, what?
Like soap? For what? Like, I wash my hands before I eat.
It got tinga, and pollo. I was like, oh shit.
Like, we got Tinga and Polo. I'm like, what is that?
I was like, what? I was like, is that a
is
rap
that a
group?
dance hall group? Like, what the
It was
fuck?
like, try the pernil. It's so soft. Listen, we also have cervezas. So if you like Modelo El Special, regular Modelo,
Modelo Negro. I mean,
Tecate,
no offense,
or like like Red Stripe.
Yeah.
It's whatever.
Yeah, Hooray beer. Yeah, that's like, like ethnic.
Do you want like guac?
Yeah.
You like the guacamole? We also have moles. We have like,
is it table side?
We have moles and we have tortas and we have like, you like it's like weird. It's like a fucking. It's like, oh God. Like, you ever go to Whole Foods and like they're selling corn, and like the part of the corn like you throw away.
Oh, you mean like the
like the husk?
The elote?
Yeah, so like I don't know. These people are weird. Like they put food inside the husk. Like that's garbage. Like why would you do that?
Well, it's like part of the cooking process. Like it helps to marinate the food.
Yeah, no, use a plate or like foil. Like these people are so backwards,
but
bro.
Tinfoil is like metal. You know.
I mean, like they don't even run for the board. Like I came here and look, I got a job. It's like a Mexican restaurant, right? They don't even have like the fucking like what is like you get at Taco Bell? It's like the cereal.
Oh, the Captain Crunch Bowls?
The Captain Crunch Bowls. Yeah, like, that's traditional Mexican.
They're not. Captain
also,
Crunch.
why are all these people so short?
Why do all their gyms have hammer loops?
That was not me. That was Megan.
Shout out to all my Mexicans.
Shout out to all my Mexicans. La Raza.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to La Raza. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And shout out to all my like people like Mexican adjacent motherfuckers trying to ride the wave. Shout out to all the Ecuadorian dudes in there trying to be like, yo, I'm Mexican too. Like, nigga, I could do your roof.
Ecuador.
Like, I'm up to you.
Ecuador.
I'm up on you.
Ecuador got some heat.
Yeah, they got some heat.
Ecuador got some heat. What's a country that does not have some heat right now? What's a country right now on our most popping countries list does not rank? What's the 3 wackest countries right now?
3 wackest countries right now. Off top of my head, I'm gonna say Greenland.
Boom.
Sweden. And motherfucking Chechnya.
Boom.
That's 3.
Mero just said y'all canceled. Y'all countries is off.
You know what I'm saying?
My 3
Sorry.
My 3 countries that are canceled. All right. Chad, of course.
Okay.
Russia.
Yeah. True. Big one.
Wisconsin.
Get him out of here.
Boom, get him out.
We got
Get him
enough
out.
cheese. And we lactose intolerant.
All of y'all. Okay, those countries is canceled, bruh.
It's a dub.
It's canceled. This country.
Entire dub.
Don't even show up at the UN, yo.
Don't even do it.
How you hating from outside the UN? You can't even get in.
Come on, son.
Okay?
Call Kofi Annan, nigga.
Nigga, smack
Fuck
a Kofi
outta
off,
here.
nigga. I want to say that.
Yo, that was such a beautiful moment in rap beef history and shit because Jim Jones just came up.
I smacked the Kofi off.
He's like, yo, nigga, I smacked the call me the Kofi smacker.
Oh, shit. Oh, man.
Oh, shit.
Well, we're having too much fun. And you know what? Sadly.
Yeah, you know what that
Sadly, you know what it means. You know what it is? Sometimes you even the pussy up.
Yeah.
And you killing it.
Yeah.
You killing it. She looking back and she's like, yo, you killing
Yo,
it.
you-
And you
you
know
blow this shit
you got
up.
that like one beat of sweat drips on her. She's like, oh, my man putting in work. And your body's like, sir, I got no more left.
Sir. This shit turns into Scotty.
We
from
got no
fucking-
more ability.
Sir, I gotta do it. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. So reaching critical capacity,
Sir,
man.
it's going down. Sir, I repeat, the erectness is going down.
The barrier walls cannot retain the semen any longer, mate.
Start giving that hard dick like, yeah, fuck it. I'm going to kill you before I go soft. But you know what? In the end, sometimes you just got to roll over and hit her on the butt and be like, I'll see you in the morning.
Yo, listen, we try again.
We'll try again.
I still got continues.
You know what it is? Sometimes you just gotta leave the pussy like the Nintendo system before the save system.
Yo, listen,
just leave it on pause.
I'm gonna just put my dick in rest mode. But
just put a bookmark in there. Just fold the page back.
Shorty got the wild tassel hanging out her church and shit.
Butterfly in the sky. Don't take my word for it. Yo, it's been episode 170 of the nastiest podcast in the world. Why do people listen to this?
This is the most disgusting.
It's gonna rub off on your kids. When they Menendez you're gonna know why. Jesus Nice, that's my name.
That's right.
Young Chipotle or Young Dos Toros. I mean, whoever wants to cut the check. You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying? Because
or Young Crown Fried Chicken. Anybody sponsor me, please.
Talk to him. Talk to him.
Apparently, I have kids out in the world that I found out through email. It's apparently niggas had a little too much fun after the LA show.
Yeah, that's what shit happens. But yo, we Taco Gang.
Taco Gang. That's
you know what
right.
I'm saying? And he's not gonna violate and be like LeBron and be like Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday. If he did that
shit.
for any other ethnicity. What if he was like, oh, Sushi Sunday? No. Jerk Chicken Wednesdays. We jamming.
Yo, I wanna
jamming with you. All right, you can get away with that one. You can get away with that one.
But then he
Okay,
would
what else
double
could
down
we-
and be like burn Chichiman, and then you be like, yo.
That's true.
You went too far.
What if he was like, Kosher Mondays? Dreidel. I made it out of clay. And dreidel.
It's more whimsical than racist. Yeah.
All right. Taco Tuesday is probably the worst. So. He just be like Taco Tuesday. He could do like that's not. He's like Taco Tuesday. What was the name of that wild problematic cartoon back in the day?
Speedy Gonzalez.
Boom.
Yeah.
LeBron stands with Speedy Gonzalez. Hate to see it. Yo, Pocket say fat like Terrio. AK Pocket say fat like. Here we go. Hey. This is like I'm throwing fucking slime on JoJo Steeler. She's like, oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, it's amazing. Yeah. Somebody I might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Figure, Mr. Knowledge with a rondo. Mero never said the event that Quattro Mikel going off the Juve boss. MC Gungun P putting up from 40 with your shorty. When I say with your shorty, I mean with her in attendance, looking at me like, damn boy. You are busting my man's shit. Yeah. You got him looking sad out here. Damn, it's real sad boy hours. Can't believe I drove all the way to this YMCA to watch you bust my husband's ass on this basketball court. And I'm dribbling hard and I'm like, yo, throw the ball off your forehead. You get tight. You gonna pull the gun.
All that shit.
I mean, you know.
Nutmeg a nigga, shake go right between the legs. Pants him.
I mean... It happens.
You pants a nigga on a basketball court, he gotta shoot you.
You gotta shoot you. You gotta.
If I pants you on a basketball court and you don't shoot me, I've lost all respect for you.
Every now and then you see some stuff and you're like, that's a shootable offense, and they don't shoot you. And you're just like, oh. They were talking about that in my barbershop. They was like, they're surprised no one killed Tekashi yet. And I was like, you probably shouldn't say that out loud. But you know.
I mean, also, but
then the A Boogie and Tekashi song came on and niggas were singing along to it. So I'm like, what is it?
So it's like,
what is it?
Yeah, is it Uchiwali? Is it one mic?
Okay, I was sitting there. I took off the apron. And I was like, streets is done. Yeah, kid, don't talk to me in the Uber pool because I'm platinum, bitch.
That's right.
All right, I could cancel my call within 5 minutes of ordering it without getting a service fee. I can only do that 2 times a month. But you know what it is. Don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you.
I don't know you at all.
Shout out to my Uber driver, Alberto, last night, who I got in because I was going to Brooklyn from the Bronx. He goes, wow, you're going a long distance. And I was like, you know what? That's actually a rhetorical statement because I'm the person that put the location in. So I already knew where I was going.
Yeah.
But then Alberto, as he was driving, said to himself, man, you don't like when you don't have customers. You don't like when you do have customers. Alberto, you got to get it together.
Come on, man.
Alberto walked himself through his own shit.
You got to do it, bro.
Yes, you got to do it.
You know what I'm saying?
You got to work through his shirt. You got to do the work.
Walk.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Put your
head
down.
It's like, what was the name of the group that Normandy was in? Pussycat Dolls? No,
Fifth Harmony?
Fifth Harmony.
There you go.
Like their classic work,
like,
their classic song about capitalism. Work.
Yo, yeah,
you gotta work.
Yeah, that's true.
Think about it.
Yeah,
there you go.
They
were in with that other girl, that Camilla girl.
That was We Work propaganda. They got 12.
Wow,
you can work from home.
Wow,
that's wild. That's
why you ain't gotta go to work. You can work from home.
They could have done. You could have worked from home remix.
And it just reminded me of the whole shit when Diddy was making a band and he had the group called Dream and it was Aubrey O'Day and she tried to throw on the black side and he was just like, yo, let me tell you something. You Aubrey, you a white girl. Do your thing. Be a white girl. Don't go up there. You was doing all this yo. Hey, yo. Stop. That's not true. And I was like, damn, Diddy? Like, okay, brother, goddamn.
I mean, we're trying to do the podcast. You just want to interrupt and talk about Yes Jules? Hey! The reason why I plus one, so don't make a fuss, son.
And I've been waiting.
Oh, yeah. These Rossi is drinking you. Jermaine Avocado, Derek Pa. They go to Mufasa, Young Charcuterie out the coonery. AK Chilimon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, Kalo K.
Hey.
You know, remember that time that I pitched 9 innings and I was coked as full?
Yeah, papi, that was that poor day.
I couldn't leave the stadium because my wife was outside with a 4-5. 3 Phone Jones, Jesus ain't Machina, Jay Chuckles. I live on Jerome Avenue. Why would I listen to the stadium? Stanley Comes, the human Dr. Brown is like, Dalu. Leonardo Chapio. It's 240p because like my Pinot blur. Yeah. I my Pinot like, you know, like how pouring out the pussy was before, you know, got the hair on it.
Yeah.
To this day.
To this day.
You know what I'm saying?
Let's see. Who okay, let's see. What can we treat you non-hip hop kids with today? DJ Woolite, aka the Washed FM.
Yeah.
All right.
Hit him with it.
Listen, y'all don't know about this.
Get ready.
You know what it is. A little sometimes, you know, you gotta give people music they don't know.
That's right.
Little Wash FM, you know what it is?
Hit him with it.
Little brother. Oh, little Fonte. You know what it is? You know what's funny? They just dropped a new album. Please check it out.
That's right.
Hot.
You know what I'm saying?
But everyone's like, oh, who's this little brother? But Drake stole his flow from Little Brother.
Oh shit!
And he said it. Look at that.
He did.
Look at that, bro.
He paid homage.
Not even paid homage. It wasn't even paid. He's like straight ripped the shit, bro. If I get my Canadian on for a second, he ripped the shit, mans.
Man's
ripped it, mans.
Man's jerked the whole style.
He cheeses him, man. The Curry Goat, Desus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, My Heart Will Go On, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, You Cannot Contain Me. Do not try to contain me. Do not go to the container store and ask the people at the container store if they have a container that contain me. Because first thing they will say is, are you a pop star? You'll be like, I don't know what that is. And they'll be like, just enter your phone number right here. You hook it right there. Anyway, then they'll be like, also, we no longer have containers that can contain the Moreno.
No.
Shout out to Anna Kendrick.
Try crate and barrel.
They don't got that. Only thing that can contain me is a stolen milk crate. Because I'm hip hop all day. Only nigga that came out breakdancing from my mom's womb.
You know
the human meme, word to Ja. They was like, push. All you heard was like, I think it's it's not a bit. It's a flattened piece of cardboard.
Oh,
it came out,
and then you come out and start breaking this. He's like, "Yo,
body rock, let's stop, body rock." Yo, Ma, this umbilical cord. I can't do a backspin.
Yo, come on, you fucking my shit up, yo.
Yo, I want to go hook up with Baby Mero.
Come on, man.
Tags.
Yo, let's go. Hip hop, 5 elements, yo.
Fire. It's like 1986. Yo, get out here. We're just like babies and shit, like tagging. That's right. Coming to big streets everywhere. Baby Beat Street.
Baby Beat Street.
Yo, Baby Remo, stay off those tracks.
Yo, you gotta grow up and be a man. Wait a minute, you're an infant. Fuck that. Let's leave that out.
Where? I lost the break cancer competition. Where?
They're gonna close the daycare.
Oh no, it's the child social worker. Why these babies got Jerry curls?
Why are these babies selling crack?
Crack on the block. Baby breaks. Your bitch's teething. It's that season. Baby breaks. Break it up. Nap time.
Your car is booted, but your baby just booted. Baby breaks.
When you close your eyes, the world disappears. Baby breaks. Break it up. Party time. That's real hip hop, nigga.
Yo, that's real shit.
That's real shit.
Not
lyricism,
that baby,
nigga. That's not that Baby Shark shit.
That's
deep. That real shit, nigga. You know what I mean? Niggas don't even understand. Every time you listen to it, you hear a new verse.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Do. Nigga, that ain't no real music.
Babies and Rikers, babies in the park. I was like, whoa. Babies and Rikers? They was like, yo, shit was different.
Shit was different back then.
Niggas had a whole building full of swole ass babies with dookie gold chains.
Serving mandatory minimums and shit.
Niggas called me with mad krills. How do you plead? Yo, fuck you, fuck the judge, and fuck my. I want a nap. Baby Alpo, you're going 40 years. Bailiff, please carry him out.
Niggas like, I want a tattletale. Can I tattletale?
They got the wild Mercedes-Benz Power Wheel.
Niggas, he's like, yo, don't fuck with that nigga, B.
Yo.
It's a tattletale.
Yo. He's a snitch.
He sold this out.
He testified when the teacher left the room.
Yo, that nigga sold this out for a fruit roll-up.
Oh, man. The human river went to Ja. Young Aaron, the racing provocateur. Henry Budcross, Nelson Mandela, Cedric Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human word is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bexler, Ricky Squavi, Popovich, which some people say is the reason why Team USA lost because big players did not want to play in the pop. I don't know if that's true or not. Well, I know it's France cooked them, ooh la la, oui oui, merci beaucoup, and all that good shit.
Yo, oui oui, bonbons.
How do you lose to a team that wears berets and smokes while they're playing basketball? I don't know.
Listen, all I know is that the Dominican team was comprised completely out of niggas that used to be at Apartment 78. Like, yep. I'm like, are any of y'all were born in the Dominican Republic? It was just niggas from Uptown because they would dunk on the motherfucker and be like, yeah, nigga, that's what's up. We out here, what's up, what's poppin', nigga, like, yeah.
That's not how it works.
I'm like,
Yo, my Morris says with your chestnut. Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber.
That's right.
It's heavy. I put that head on your neck.
You know what I'm saying?
The juice is oppressed, but your boy never is. I got mad CBD in my butt. Trying to stress me out, nigga.
It's not happening.
Right?
I'm so relaxed.
So relaxed,
Cozy
nigga.
boy, so
relaxed. Nigga, I sigh and pee at the same time. Yow. I am the art, damn it. Trying to sell myself to Banksy. The Donica News. No more cup of noodles because it got wild sodium. The Prince of Peckham. The Fashion Nova Casanova. That's right. If you can see my change purse through my spandex, you know what I'm saying? It's meant to be that way.
That's right.
Like Lady Gaga said, I was born this way.
I was born this way. I want you to see the tip of my butt cheek.
That's right. When I wear my foreskin like an infinity scarf, I want you to know that shit is fashion. Yo, will you make cents? 5 cents, 10 cents, $1. Forget the small change.
What you want?
Big money one. God. Also, shout out to anyone that's ever Venmoed someone less than $7. Like,
what are you doing?
If you have to Venmo someone less than $7, the person you're Venmo is a passive aggressive dick.
They are.
Also, why using Venmo? Because you know what it is over here, Cash App, baby. The only fucking the only system that don't snitch.
That snitch on you.
How do you just log into Venmo? I can see like fucking Megan from Iowa. She's like, for trees. Yeah. I know that's not for trees. You didn't buy trees at 3 in the morning.
How many dinners are you having with your weed man? Stupid.
Cash App don't snitch.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Cash App be like, oh, for dog sitting, I got you.
Cash App.
Boom.
Omerta.
That's right. Blood in, blood out.
Straight up.
That's right. Word up. When you try to delete Cash App, niggas come and stab you. This ain't no football team, nigga. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Sager, catch me at square one top left. Man says, what?
Yo.
Marv,
don't cheese me, bro.
True result of holy cow. Mr. Softpunks, all I do is count checks and jerk off.
Yeah.
We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sonny D. David Yerman. If you're going through a midlife crisis, you don't like how your wife looks, and she doesn't want to get plastic surgery to face her drooping face, get yourself a very expensive piece of cloth and a piece of onyx rose for $400. David Yerman. Available at Sky Mall.
It's much cheaper than plastic surgery.
That's right. Listen, you've been with her 40 years. You got kids together. You can't just leave her now. These expensive. These is red bottles. These is bloody shoes. Marty, what are you doing? Oh, you got a new bracelet, huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Probably fucking some new bitch. Hey! Relax. Smokey Noah. Andrew Coonanen. That's right. Yeah. Do you want to play Atari while I stab you? AKA the Junior Energy God Junior.
Yo,
sit down, palm me charger.
Sit on it.
Oh. Call me Petco because I got your bitch on what? Freeze. That's not even my dog.
Bass drop.
Top of the gossip is Sayastic. Shout out to the 11791. I'll fight anyone in Penn Station because I didn't like Mike Richter not getting a final goal back in 96.
That's right.
What are you looking at, you mulatto?
Huh?
Grandpa Joker, when you see me, when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket.
Don't touch it.
What the fuck are you looking at?
Huh?
I'll fuck you up before you get the wrong Kakama. Just I'm like, who is he talking to?
Who the fuck is this talking about?
I'm the only person here, and he's talking to me. And
he has an empty 22.
He's clearly a cop.
Yeah. And he has an empty 22-ounce bottle of Bud Ice. I didn't even know they made that shit anymore. Hey!
Yeah,
Hey, asshole!
Hey!
I said, who the fuck are you looking at, pal?
Oh shit, Mike Francesa.
You didn't see nothing.
They're like, oh, you're a black guy on the LA Double R. Well, you should know better. Yo, that's your man Dead IDs this morning, Sheriff.
Yeah.
Be ashamed if 4 Instapots disappeared out of here.
That's right.
No, that's what's wrong with my shirt? That's the gout. That's just gonna water through.
Sir, my great nephew with milk.
Mr. Shopping that street easier to bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me. And I'm standing outside of white people's houses like, God damn, you paid this much for this? What? That's insane. But you live on Maiden Lane?
God
what?
Damn.
Wow. Wow! Yeah. The black Asiatic will crack your back like an automatic craft man. Mr. La Marina, Mr. Marino, fresh misdemeanor, code demeanor, the street mass killer. No one could be iller. The black Morris and Morris, aka your problematic bae. Remember, if you take your kids on a tropical vacation and they drift away, that's on them, not you.
You know what I'm saying? You just try to live your best life.
Coming to the stage,
it's your boy,
the Dominican Dundada.
You know what I'm saying?
Young Kid Caradad.
You know what I mean? When I go in a restaurant, they pay homage and they start warming up the beans immediately.
When I go in a restaurant, I order homage. Oh, sweetie.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I said, give me the menu, and then I just threw it in their face, and I said, make me whatever the fuck
I said, give me the menu, and I just grabbed dicks. Clearly, we are early 2000 NBC sitcom that everyone's like, reboot this, put this on Netflix.
Yeah, do Do it. Just go. Here's $20 million.
I'm not gay. I'm just sassy. Yeah.
Just a little sass.
Guess what, Mero? I'm dying of anal cancer.
How?
In the butt. Why are you laughing? These jokes this is why Will and Grace was on the air for so long. Look how you're laughing. It's not that good a joke.
No, it's the joke. It's meta. If I would have seen it on TV, I would have been like, oh, God.
Who, Meta World Peace? I blew him. For krills.
Let me tell you something.
It
Henny. Wasn't so peaceful.
Listen. That night I smoked 3 rocks. I don't know what this character is. Is he like a... I don't even know.
He's everything.
I don't know.
He's the alpha and the omega.
But catch me sitting courtside at Madam X tonight.
It's your motherfucking boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab.
Donovan McDab.
That's right. Damn on a hoe. Smoke THC. A.k.a. Curve got it. You know what I'm saying? Don't come up in my DMs, nigga, because I just started getting money and I ain't trying to lose 50% of it. A.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? I respect dude Juicy J. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt loader, jump the curb, hit your motherfucking long hair dashund and keep it moving. Nigga, ask me if I give a fuck. That nigga's legs were too short to box with God, nigga. A.k.a. I no fucking baby, I fucking name. You know what I'm saying? AKA no need to check the guesses. And the guesses, motherfucker. I played the Pepsi that Fuller drank in Home Alone. Don't fucking touch me. Yo, Nace, throw a TV at this nigga, the big booty joints. You know what I'm saying? Not the flat screen. AKA CC Dab back here. You know what I'm saying? When I get in that basement, boy, and I fire up that Puffco Peak, nigga, you know what time it is. I'm hitting them dabs.
Wait. If we were the criminals at Home Alone,
yeah,
because of all his little
wet bandits,
yes, because of all his little games and stuff, wouldn't you want to kill him even more?
Hell yeah!
Like it should have been a darker movie,
way darker. That would have been like ended with torture and like cigarette burns and like missing limbs and shit. Yeah,
and like mail a finger to his family in France.
Yeah, then Kathleen O'Hara, whatever.
I think what we're saying is ICM. You guys ready for this dark Home Alone? Remix? The reboot of Home Alone?
Home Alone. And have Macaulay Culkin starring in it now.
You remember how like Get Out, they took I Got 5 on it and made it dark? Yeah. So we have to take like All the Way Up.
Yeah.
But we make it all really dark. Yeah. It's like all the way up.
All the way up.
Because like a scene.
You have to climb all the way up.
There's a scene where like he's looking for help and he's like in the chimney going all the way up to get away from us. So the poster is him in the chimney and we're just like with chainsaws.
Yeah.
But then bring it down to like a B minor. Like, yeah. I'll work on it. Don't worry. I'm working on my screenplay.
Yeah.
It took Jordan Peele 7 years to write Us.
That's right.
We got to do this in 3 weeks. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's fucking go. We got like, we just need the elements for like Us had the girl. So, and Kevin's wearing a Coke Boys t-shirt. That's key.
Boom. You got to remember that.
It's key.
You know what I'm saying?
It'll come up in the end.
And then there's like a guy and you kind of recognize him, but you don't really because he's very frazzled. He has a beard. Turns out that's French Montana.
He's like, huh? He tries to beat us with the shovel and we just beat him. I just shoot him. I just kill him.
Then he just gets back up. He's like I got shot before.
Kevin, you in trouble. I was like, you made me catch a bot. Oh, I gotta kill you. And then we just burned the house down with Kevin in it.
Beautiful.
And then the parents pulled up and she's like, Kevin! I was like, he's dead. We killed him.
And then they just close with like a shot of like, I don't know, some like a leaf with a raindrop.
We probably, you know what? It ends in a sequel because then we kidnap the other family, torture them. But then Kevin comes back.
And then somehow Liam Neeson is involved and he tries to kill us and shit, but we kill him because he's bad old and washed.
But it's also a musical. So we do like the wild Bollywood number.
Yeah, Lin-Manuel Miranda comes in and shit. He's a genius, bro.
Hip the night, they was trying to kill Kevin all night. They come in with an elephant like, like, Kevin, like for some reason I have digital abs. We got the wild doobie.
Just do a backflip off the roof and shit and be like, Kevin,
I want Kevin.
We gonna find you, Kevin.
Kevin, he's the man.
Oh no, I step on a nail.
I'm still problematic like on that.
Yeah, just in case. AKA, get into the sweaty and the smoke is your boy Goldman Schmuck. You know what I'm saying? AKA, listen, man, I got my daughter ready to come off the bench for Eli. You know what I'm saying? Because he's out here sucking it up. You know what I mean? And that is all due to the fact that I am the motherfucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Smack me on boy. AKA Diego Maradona. You know what I'm saying?
I was just informed from an email from Victor. We have been taken out of the running for the third installment of the Best Exotic Marigold Hotel because of our little sequence we just did. So.
Oh, wow. Oh, man. Damn. Oh, well.
Sorry, Jane Dench. You're not going to get Triz.
Yeah, all right. Fuck. Well, you know, maybe next time. Yeah, Wes Anderson, just holla at Victor. You know what I'm saying? We'll make it happen.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Nice
we have matching shirts.
A nice sepia toned movie.
Little symmetry.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Perfect. Dick in your baby trouble, you know, come with this pussy no more. This pussy belongs to me. Actually, it does not belong to me. I commonly make this mistake. It belongs to her because I respect her agency. And in order to engage in coitus, we both must come to an agreement consensually while in the right state of mind.
Coitus? That's your coitus.
Coitus sounds like an abbreviation for somebody that works for the United States, but I ain't even gonna go there. Okay, David Trisdale, nigga, I'll take that for data, motherfucker.
Take that for data.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Shorty that said on Twitter and this shit went viral, niggas will give up on a relationship but won't give up on the Knicks. You're right.
That was a funny tweet, but I've lived that life, so fuck that.
You know what I'm saying?
Because you know shame. Give me a relationship that makes me feel as good as a Wednesday night Knicks win against the Bucks. Oh. All right?
Oh. With just like 2 highlights of like Giannis getting dunked on. Yeah, like that's it.
That's it.
It's so satisfying.
And they won in like 3. They won like by 3 points.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I told my therapist, I was like, yo, like happiness. And she was just like, you know, you got to find happiness within. Mm-hmm. And I was like, you know what? That's true.
I was like, yo, where do I find happiness? And it was like, I want to chill on Sugar Hill. It's so lovely. Sipping on bubbly. That came on in the barbershop yesterday. Niggas was like, yo,
this shit was.
Nigga, I was getting money
to this shit, nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
This shit was my soundtrack, nigga. Word.
Nigga, I was in Rikers. I had the foreskin in my. I had the gem star on my fucking foreskin. I was cutting niggas in the shower. Fuck that.
Yo, I rocked this shit till my tape pop, nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
Like,
I was the only nigga in the fucking cell block C with deep batteries. Ask about a nigga. You know what I'm saying?
Word.
Nigga, I had the Kobe headphones. Niggas was just selling me.
Fuck out of here. My shit was official.
Nigga, I have my fucking Dominique Wilkins Brooks. Niggas wasn't telling me shit. I'm like, how old are you, sir?
Sir? Brooks?
What are you, a substitute teacher?
Do you mean the brothers? I don't belong in jail. AKA Barlow Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car. And I don't even care, nigga, because it was a Chevy Malibu, so I just left that shit and kept it moving.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? AKA the Dominican Dundada Dykeman Daddy. You know what I'm saying? Catch me uptown. All inebriated. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Hasan. He see me in rare form. You know what I'm saying? Shutting the motherfucker down. Leaving the heights at 3:30 in the morning. You know how we do.
Hasan, was he washed? He was gone? How gone was he? Was he like just having a conversation? Was he talking to me?
I was talking to everybody. I was talking to Hasan while the nigga was DJing from across the bar. I'm like, yo, you killing it right now, my nigga. I'm like, yo, you can't. I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Got you.
Yo! We are getting Liddy Two Titty. You know what I'm saying?
Liddy
AKA.
Yay!
Listen, man. You see the trajectory. You see the ads. You know what I'm saying? Respect my motherfucking credit score, nigga. Swipe the card again. There's definitely money on it, motherfucker. Yo, don't make me embarrass you. And that's for your management. Because when they come up here and ask me for selfies and family updates, nigga, you're going to be real. You feel real stupid, Edward.
Does the credit score even matter anymore?
Yeah, like
I'm doing straight. Listen, I was at Bloomingdale's yesterday. Shout out to Ryan, the associate, who had no idea who I was, but was super amped helping me. Because a lady came over and I think she was like, yo, watch him. I think he's scamming. Because I had like a Nike book bag on and I had mad expensive hoodies on and I did that flex you do on white people every now and then, like I'm taking all of them. And he was like, wow. Yo. And he goes like this. He goes, oh, you're from the Bronx? I was like, yeah. He was like, my family used to live there. I was like, yeah, when? He was like, during the Depression. I was like, God damn, nigga. I was like, oh, you white.
Oh, shit, you extra white. God damn.
There was like 7 people in the Bronx during the Depression.
You was part of white flight, nigga.
God damn. It was you, your aunt, and a Model T. God damn, nigga. Niggas had one well. Niggas just like farming in Air Force Ones. Amazing. Yeah, love to see it. Incredible.
Lovely. You know what I'm saying? Picking crops at Ola's.
Niggas had a rutabaga farm where Co-op City was. I was like, what the fuck?
That's right, Edwin. So if you want to fucking respect your family tree and keep employment, put the fucking overpriced monster cables in the fucking bag.
That's right.
And keep it moving, B.
That's right.
Before I'm fucking ripping Best Buy polo and hats.
I'm Mero's ad-libs. I just go with him to malls and I just repeat what he said.
You know what I'm saying?
Early.
It lends gravitas to the situation.
Gravitas!
You know what I'm saying? Okay, Romeo Santos. Ooh. Oh my God, so Zanny. Let me black out. Tu favorito, mami. Yo, catch me at Que Lo Que. Giving you the time of her life, nigga. She's gonna remember me forever.
She's a cancer survivor.
You know what I'm saying? That's right. And I'm gonna give her that good barium. You feel me?
Wow.
You feel me? Take that, mommy. Yeah, take that. Mommy,
she was at 9/11.
You're gonna feel it in your tummy.
Oh my God. We are wildin'. She was a rescue dog.
Lightning Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke as a got five. And unlike us, you do not have the ability and the superpower to just say, yo, somebody throw us weed. And then weed starts raining from the sky.
It's raining weed. Hallelujah. It's raining weed. Yeah. It's a different song, but you know what I'm saying? That's definitely what I hear when I see shit flying on stage. Probably someone's gonna shoot us. But you know what? Fuck it. We have a good run.
You know what I'm saying?
Have a good run.
Maybe we get some dust.
That would be a very different show. That would be a very different show. Oh my God, it's cold in here. It's cold in here. I'm going to cut Mero open, go to bed inside of him.
Let's go. Let's do it. Hey, Tom Brady, you're going to got my balls deflated like Bobby Kraft, nigga. We the table shower boys. You know what I'm saying?
Table shower boys. Listen.
You know what I'm saying?
It's only a happy ending for one of us.
Okay. Feel the ass Tyson. I want to explore your cosmos consensually.
Consensually.
You know what I'm saying?
I want to put my big dipper in your Milky Way.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? After you say yes.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen. Turn the floetry and say yes.
Say yes.
Okay?
You know what I'm saying? Shout the Fozzie Bear, you know what I'm saying? Hey, Lil Snoopy, first nigga to fall asleep on live, nigga. I've been doing this. Innovators, you know what I'm saying?
They had to add a self-harm button for Instagram for Mero.
You know what I'm saying?
All right? Because when Mero goes on Instagram, he's like one of the kids from Euphoria. You don't know what's going to happen. He might die.
First nigga to use Life Alert on Instagram Live.
You ever watch someone use drugs? You're like, stop! Stop. I've only done that twice. Mero on Instagram Live is a day of Euphoria. Why does Mero have glitter makeup on?
Zedhill Bettingfield. I gotta get some sticks. Yo.
Okay. Zendaya. Sorry.
Zendaya. Please. Respect Zendaya. Yeah. Okay, Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me.
We're at
Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? We out here, you know what I'm saying? The pavilion shut down. You know what I'm saying? And we got P.O. flipping holes. You know what I'm saying? Returning to his humble roots. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston.
Dump.
My hands are gifted. I once reconstructed a child's chest cavity using only a box of off-brand Fruity Pebbles. And I bust my Uncle Tommy gun for Trumpito. You know what I'm saying? Candy, get the strap. I'm ready to rock. AKA, I'll be in your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, boy. It's the Zen Man. You know what I'm saying? AKA Rico Sombroso. AKA Baby Newport 245. Niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown. Shut the car down. Got your cousin butt naked backing up Krillses. AKA
butt naked.
Yeah, bucket naked. AKA live from the West Farms 2 train station, singing all his greatest hits in front of the Metro Card machine. It's the East Street Wants TVB, doing all his greatest. Like, I wanna be the one your DD is fucking. And dope sick love, don't let me leave.
Nice.
Not in front of the D's, especially, you know what I'm saying? AKA, mate, every week we must discuss this at length. I'm getting tired of it, frankly, mate. It's understood at this point that there's only 2 rock stars left in this world. They're the Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. Smoking a fatty with Maurice Dubois.
Dubois Boys in the building. You know what it is? Number one show. Number one show. You know what I'm saying?
That's a gang. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I met my princess. I'm never gonna fail. You dig? AKA, chilling at the crib off edibles, waiting for KD and Kyrie in a Google Hangout. It's Barbelos Anthony
for 3.
Bang! You know what I'm saying? But he's playing on iPad, so you know what I'm saying? It's a little different. Yeah, hey, listen. If you see me at Target in the dollar section, nigga, and
which I do,
higher than a giraffe's yarmulke, approach me like a motherfucker Ursine mammal, nigga, because I may react erratically and you won't like that. You know what I'm saying?
Hold on, whoa. You know what
I'm saying?
Whoa. Jewish giraffe?
Yeah, giraffe. Giraffe.
You know what
I'm saying? Pow!
Got you.
Hanukkah children's book coming soon.
Oh, wow, the giraffe. Wow. Wait, next too long to spin the dreidel. Oh, wow. It write itself.
Boom.
They write itself.
Pow.
Bodega Boys coming live to you from the Gaza Strip.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo.
Crossing from Jordan.
Yo, we out here courtesy.
Jordans.
We out here courtesy of the IDF. Niggas taking bad pictures with 50 cows. Like, nah. Just like, what the fuck are you doing? I was like, no.
Y'all really wildin'.
It's like Israel paid for it.
Hey, kids.
Hang with my nigga Netanyahu.
My nigga BB.
Yo, BB, are you riding? Because I'm loving. And tell the settlements down the
Hey kids, it's Ben to the Clown. I'm free kid's birthday party. I'll show up after it's over, and I have already peed on myself. But for backup, I brought my friend Mr. Fun. Take it away. I'll be asleep in the car, nodding off.
Hey kids, be big kids and go to the bathroom by yourselves. Like, what do you need your parents to come with you for?
Yeah, he can help you.
I can help you. Come in the bathroom. Come in the bathroom, little bitch. Mr. Fun's not so fun.
Mr. Fun, that's a terrible time. Okay, I saw favorite Legion, your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's out of Pine Sol and motherfucking Flintstones vitamins, nigga. He's talking about yeah. Check out him in half an hour. He's still gonna be talking about yeah, but do. Prende el SIP. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, ¿qué lo que? Llegó el de FIFA. Coño, conmigo no. Ya te lo dije. Me solté, coño. Llegó Tom Cruise, coño. Vamos a hacer un fucking movie. ¿Oíste? En la cabaña, loco. Que yo no pagué el lipo para nada. So, vamos a hacer un pornography film. ¿Me llegaste? ¿Sí? Llega el flow que da calambre, yo. Y tú estás bajando con Paca, yo lo dudo. Tengo una nota que estoy hablando como un mudo. You know what I'm saying? Shout out a Casa Showtime. Shout out Cash App. You know what I'm saying? Como siempre. Shout out Hasan y Sen, que pone la fucking nota. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Desus Bueno, papi. Papi lindo. You know what I'm saying?
Papi lindo.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out la nena de bodega. Dai Vicky. Vicky está por ahí. Yo no sé.
Diane.
Quizás en drogada. Qué sé yo. You know what I'm saying? Y shout out el cerebro. Victor Hugo.
Victor.
You know what I'm saying?
Victor Hugo. He wrote a lot of plays.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? Y shout out, finalmente, mi presidente Pío. Tu secretario de defensa activo con el cañón. Avísame que lo suelto. Pronta libertad por mi hermano Friki. Me quité ya. Bodega Boys. 1-7-0. Nos fuimos.
You forgot Satra and Mo.
Satra and Mo in the building as well. Tan aquí, tan linda, tan beautiful. Mira. Chequea el flow. Llega el piquete.
You sound like every fucking poppy in a bodega. I'm like, she's just trying to buy gum.
She just want winter fresh.
She's like, I just get some gum. You should marry me.
Mommy,
oh my
you're
God,
so beautiful.
Oh.
Mommy, why you not married?
Nigga, stop making a sandwich. Yo, make my sandwich. What the fuck?
Pero mommy, why you not married? You so beautiful.
I was like,
they not treat you good. I treat you good every day, mommy. I bring you.
Sir, you are 69.
No,
your wife is right there.
No, she helping me with you.
Emilio!
Wow, you need a wash and set? She do it for you for free. Mommy, I love you.
Yo, it's been episode 170. You know what it is. Number one show in late night. If we ever choose to, you know what? Remember when Dave Chappelle left and went to Africa? That's what we're doing. I have chosen to go to the Bronx. Mero's chosen to go to New Jersey.
You know
and Showtime, call us, and maybe we'll come back.
Yeah.
You know?
How about your boys?
You want to do a show anymore? It's cool.
It's cool. Yeah, we do it.
It's cool. Like, it's whimsical.
Yeah, it's fun.
Should we just do it for the feeling? Yeah. You know what? We'll bring it back. Just like Vance the Jackets. Sure, why not?
Let's do it.
Boom. We'll bring the show back. You guys lucky. Fine. October.
Stay focused.
Maybe October. Maybe September. I want to take some time off to have a kid.
Okay.
How long does that take? Like a month?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm the guy.
Well, not for you, yeah.
I'm the guy. It doesn't take anything.
Yeah, it takes 2 minutes.
Wow. What am I checking my email for the 1 minute and 30 seconds left? You know, that's episode 170. We out.
Peace.